Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you. Please click the thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and the bell notification. Thank you.
All right, people, big up on yourself. We're there. Ragashanti live up in on the TikTok platform. Yeah, go on good in now. We give thanks. Don't everything is everything. Bless upon yourself. All TamFamers and know the things set down. All right, blessings and respect. See, we're there, and about to kill attack. We is our day here. With attitude and full blast, yeah. Well, we're up on a thing named Secret Admirer Mixup or any other Mixup one have. Or tune for your ex, call in and sing a tune for your ex. Any song where you think is accurately reflect the vibe where you feel about your ex or what go on with your ex, yeah? You just call in and sing a tune for your ex and make we hear what go on with that, don't? Right, well, I'm me clear this thing because sometimes you have a bag of people in the who never and then I take off the rest of them. Okay, cool. Who never mean for forward, so anybody else forward, anything come up after this, the assumption is that you intend to make two talk and a mix up and all them something there and things. See? I did that eat right name there, you know. Which I should not eat, but chocolate, you know, but nah, man, and a beetroot, a cranberry, you know. But I'm a little idiot cranberry. This is a raw cranberry. It don't even taste. You know, raw cranberry, it actually not taste. It's an acquired taste, you know. And think, when me did I eat chocolate, me did I eat because I know I sound ready for mix me. Yeah. People, you know, if I make a little talk on Marlene, Marlene up in take that personally, you know. You see, that's why someone else on certain people. Generally, you know, me only trouble people who know what me I do, you know. Right? Me trouble people who understand what me I do, right? Like hear me bunt on some people who know all the things said. Because sometimes you move to some people and you know, you make two talk and then them disappear, yo. You think, you know? Yo, somebody tell, I wish you didn't hear, Marlene was she and somebody tag her and tell her, say, we not take, well, you have to really cross the line for we take things personal over here, yeah? Tell her, say, a regular ragga pick pan people, all right? Thick skin and broad back, yeah? Because Marlene, if I make a little talk and thing, I'm going to move to you, you know? For you move to me, I'm going to move back to you. I'm going to see you post back again. And where you gone? Come back, man. Come back, Marlene. I'm not going to ask you to give me another chance because I'm not begging nothing. But come back. Yeah? All right. Even to say, Marlene forward, don't make me know, you know, because I'm not see her if I'm going to put the little talk on her there. One on here. Somebody say Marlene gone par with Jenny. What happened to Uber Eats? No, me not order Uber Eats today, you know. So to I order from Uber Eats, me just order like, you know, 3-4 food, you know? Yeah. And just put up the other one them, you know. And think, a Uber man you talk about. No man, Uber man get a beat no one day, you know. And then, you know, me not see me either. Because you know, it's a Uber man always open the dance gate, you know. Yeah, man, Uber man always start the party, man. Always the first one dead. And from Uber man get a beating there one day, we not see him back, man. Jah know. Uber man, I saw it going on, dog. You have to can't hold it, me G. You see it? Baby lips, I am tired to say hi. All right, people, here we go on right then. You see, those of you who come here, I don't want, like, if you not say something in the chat, I'm not respond, or if you say hello, I'm not say back hello, you stop a foolishness. You stop a foolishness, and then you start get attitude, and look how much time I say hello, and him not this and that, and him ignore me. You stop a foolishness, okay? Stop it. Stop it, right? Everybody special over here. Everybody special over here. Okay? And then sometime when I'm there, and every time I go notice, you know, right, the hundreds of people there, sometimes 1,000 odd, sometimes all 2,000 odd over here, right? So when you come in and what? So sometimes when you come in and you not say, I raga, me not understand. You know, say 10 million other people that say I raga too. And when them come in, them just give a yell. You know, people say, I raga, I TamFam and big up and thing, raga wagwan. But them not expect me to respond to them specifically, okay? So I say few only, you know. I say few only, you know. And my baby lips post that me tired, my arm finger tired face. Baby lips just cool, man. Just know say raga love you, man. You're good, man, alright? Know yourself, man, alright? Everybody special over here. Alright? Baby lips say I am special. Alright? Alright, so yeah, Mr. Somehow, like, you know, kind of get a little bit touchy with it. No, do it, man. Come on. All right. Take time with me. Take time with Miss Cherry Boy, man. Okay? Star Boy said, must be a Leo or a Scorpio. Well, I saw them turn down. Well, Pretty V says she easy for shame. Baby lips, Raga loves you too, baby girl. Don't worry yourself, man. All right. And then, and there's another thing too, you know, me just kind of couldn't know, yeah. Each one of you know who you is, you know. Each one of you know who you are. But remember, this is social media, you know. So I don't know who is who. You know, get what I say? And from experience in this thing, people who are listening a long time, you know, you know. Yeah, one time here, one woman come on and thing and be a flirting and thing, and you know me with my, you know, me just jump run in and go and flirt. Only favorite, nah. It wasn't a woman, okay? So, when I say, you know who is in and that is good. But sometimes I run in on some things because I don't know who is who or what is what I don't know. I know just someone who write me to and put on and put in on something on the right and whatever. And I tell them from now, I don't respond. I respond in a neutral way to be polite, you know. It's social media, people. Come on, you know that thing they go. It's just a picture people put up, but that picture don't mean so and so. You understand? But you know who you are, you know, obviously. But I don't know who you are. I remember saying me in a space now where I worry about enough of them because something come at me. You understand? So, you know, and then somehow, you know, when I send so and so, and if I don't respond, when I start beat up my nastiness, right? When I start do me up and attack a bag or something or whatever and think me I be rude. Me not be rude. Me not, you know, me just don't know who is who. So, you know, I'm not running for nothing, you see. So if you DM me and you send something and the DM, you know, frame a certain way with certain language or whatever, this and that. My was I go careful. Me don't know who you is or whatever. So me not go, you know what I say? If you say Raga this and that about immigration or hi Raga or whatever, Raga, when are your next Ghana trip or when are your next Thailand trip, I gotta respond to that. If you say hello, me listen to this Jamaica and so forth, I gotta respond to that. But if you come with some other look something, I can't tell you from now, you not get a response. I don't know you. I don't know who really back at that something there. I don't know who really behind the account. Worse when I put up some little name, Booga, with one drawing. Who is that? I don't know who that is or whatever. You understand what I say? So it's not that I'm being rude or anything. It's like, it's social media, you know. You have to be careful, you know. Right? You have all hey, I want big something out there too, you know, and people, them are beat people, you know, and then have them say this and that and whatever, and then them send it all boat and whatever and all blackmail people and all them something there and whatever and thing. You understand what I say? So you have to just kind of be circumspect and balance your thing. You know, for a long time I don't run in for nothing anyway, so. I'm just explaining that, you know, for people who think that I might be being rude. It's not being rude. I just want to remind you, you know who you are, obviously. I don't know who you are. I don't know who is behind it or anything. It's just words and things like that. And people out there play all kind of games, you know, and beat you and dry you out. Most of them not do it, but there's no way people who, the recipient can know for sure who is who or who is not, you know. So in my little thing when me do, a whole heap of stranger come at me for different things. So you have to kind of just easy, you know. Not being rude, all right? Okay. All right. Stupid question. Simple, you know, but stupid question. Well, first of all, that's something here. White people don't do it, you know. This Caribbean people, I may say, no. But you know the other thing, you see the thing I have to bite up the ice. You never see other people bite up the ice. You know, like we go. Wait up, I'm bite up the ice. You see other people bite up the ice? I don't really see other people bite up there. I see one. But I mean, you see people bite up ice like how we love to bite up the ice. Right now, who say bite up ice? Who say white people bite up ice like how we bite up ice like how we drink and put piece of the ice cube. Who say white people do that? Who no lie, man? Oh, okay. Yeah. Me not see them do it. Them not do it. Not even where. When I say African Americans bite up ice, when I say black people in America or Canada bite up ice, Christoph say yes. Nope. No. It's just not a thing with them, you know. Them not really. Or some people say yes. When I say black America, okay, people say them see. I don't really see it, you know. You know, 'cause I always do it, you know. I always bite up the eyes, but it's like amongst most of them, it's not a thing, you know, and I feel them something with that. But you don't say I definitely our thing that we love to bite up ice and all these things. I mean. Them all have certain places for buy the ice. What you mean buy the ice? Of course, I sell a gas station, Walmart or wherever, yeah. Yeah, man, we know that pregnant woman, Lord God, you know, live on the ice, man. I don't know what do you know so with the ice, you know. Wawa sell small cues. Oh, I never know that. No, but I just talk about like when we drink something like it's just normal for Jamaicans and Caribbean people who me used to. We just put a cube and you drink a thing and you just put a cube and you just bite up the ice. It's a thing what we do, you know. It's common amongst us and whatever, you know. Wawa ice is the bomb. Wawa one special ice where people like, that's how you go. Most people say when you're anemic, you do it. That foolishness, the match. I don't know about that. It's just a thing when we. But you see, you have to understand too, you know. How you grew up too, you know. Remember, say, for when we come from a culture where you go buy ice, you know. we go buy ice. And we even have, we grew up with something named dry ice. Who know dry ice? We grew up with something named dry ice. When you go to school, you have dry ice. You know? Adorable girl, Raga, I'm at work until 4:30 a.m. Can you stay until 4 a.m., please? Adorable girl, where are you? Which state you in? Which state you in? Adorable girl, which state you in? I have to ask that first. Which state you in? Tennessee. So I think we're 1 hour ahead. Is it 6:15 there now? Is it 6:15 in Tennessee now? Let me see what she said. People, is it 6:15 in Tennessee now? Yes. So, adorable girl, it's 7:15 now, 6:15 where she there. She got there at work until 4:30 a.m. And she want me to stay until 4 a.m. for her time, you know, which is 5 a.m. my time in New York. People not sit down and people are wicked. You know, she's a wicked woman, this. Yeah, Comedy Wednesday, though. And most Comedy Wednesday, boy, chance when you ask a question, you just fling it back in the chat, fling it back in the chat, fling it back in the chat. Yeah? I want to get... Me see your question, man. Nah, people them use ice. People, that man a regular thing that, man. People use ice when them a do them thing, man. The ice thing, I don't know nothing new. I know hear it in one cartel song and rate it and whatever, but the ice thing, they about long time. Long time people are work with ice when things are going on, you know? It's just that people get a little bit more adventurous with it now. But the ice thing, a long time, some of that, man. Long time, some of that. Long time, some of that. The particularly too, we come from a hot country too. And I think of it, you look up, people say them ice bath when you done workout. Well, we did have the term ice bath, but the ice bath was, the woman naked, you have the ice cube and you have this and that and nipple and ray and all them. So a long time, some of that. Chance out of order did teach you that. Oh, yeah, out of order was a big thing, but I get errors with ice cube. But a long time, some of them, man. Ice a long time. The ice thing, they bought a long time before people broke out. Before, that little thing we're going for a couple of decades now where people are do the things them and whatever. The ice thing, they bought long before that, Long before that and thing and whatever. Mind you, the church people, they still have it say it's indecent for you to do any... No, I don't want the church people them vex, but boy, if you follow them, them boring, you see, man. The church people, them, man, if you follow them boring, man. Some of the church people, man, una give God bad name, man, una love include God in our thing. If you mix up a thing, man, and live life, man. Or if you not do it, if you allow people to do them something and enjoy them thing, man. Church people, no boring grapefruit or oranges, warm grapefruit or oranges. Me don't know about that. I know about grape. And people don't do honey. Don't do honey. No follow anybody on the honey. You sticky and yo, the only thing then I work, yo. The only thing then I work, man. The only thing that work. It's sticky, yo. The only thing, but grape nice, right? Kevin Davis, I'm paying $5,000 to the first 5 people to inbox me, Jesus. Kelvin Davis. Listen, Kelvin Davis, go about your business and don't come over here with your damn foolishness. Boy, I give $5,000 for the first 5 people for inbox you, Jesus. As somebody I look for my page and I use Jesus in it, I bet you is a damn freak. Kelvin, go about your business. Don't come over here with them foolishness. You're not on this page. Not in my cabinet. Go one side. Nobody not going to Kelvin thing or whatever. I saw them be it. You know, remember the elements of a scam. If it is too good to be true, it is too good to be true. Kelvin, don't do it. Not over here. Not over here. Not in my cabinet. Go one side. About $5,000 for everybody who in back to Jesus and thing. Then we give $5,000 for people say Jesus to you for. Wait, when post that makes sense? Sense, you know, that makes sense, you know. I don't know. That don't make no sense. Don't do it, Kelvin. Not pan Raga page, okay? Right? And Jesus don't need no $5,000 for no. You know, say some car or general ship, you might know come with them, whatever. And anytime them come with them frigate, you know, for block them, you know, and fling them on bush, you know. Yeah. John. What? Sometimes TikTok bring up something, I don't know, you know. I'm not see him like him cut and gone and thing. No, man. You have to shut them down right away, you know. You think them will come over here and take the thing for Papi show, you know. What go on, boo?
I got the man to try scamming people on.
That's some general ship him depend right, you know. I saw them there and them just troll and go through people live and come up with them thing, you know.
Well, we using social media to try understand, say them people go always come. So we just have to ignore them and block. But a long time I sting a go on. I sting a
long time. No, I still don't know nothing new. Nothing
long time, Raga. Ice pop rock. You know what the pop rock?
The what?
The pop rock.
Pop rock.
It's like a candy, but it's people use it to give BJs, give you a little give the man a little tingle feeling.
Oh, but no, me don't know about that, but me know about Altoids.
That's so.
Yeah.
The pop rock lasts longer though.
The pop rock, so when it in them mouth, it a pop.
Yeah.
That's supposed to feel nice. Eh? You walk and left your phone, you know. You walk and left your cheap phone.
Jesus Christ, Raga.
Yeah.
Samsung not cheap.
What you mean, so them say about, what you say, so them say about the pop rock?
I don't have a pedal walker.
You don't have a pedal walker, so you wouldn't even know if it's
so
okay.
I wouldn't know that them say.
Oh, so them not you in a use for a woman there, no?
Raga, I not really like them something there.
Oh, you know, you never mix it up them here yet?
No, I don't want that. You can do it, but that's not my favorite. I want the pedal walker.
You want the pedal walker? Okay. That's it.
Anyway, Raga, let me tell you a little story. I can't tell my cousin them business. I really my business too, but I'm also for them business.
Yeah.
So, I have one cousin used to do with one mere man. Afraid that mere man, let me know that them.
Male man.
May.
Mia. Oh, Mia.
Yeah. So, my cousin used to do with this bus driver.
Yeah.
But used to watch her. I said the man, a first man I ever say watch the buff so.
Watch
it. Look good though, you know.
Watch it, boom.
Good.
Yeah.
Girl look good, tall, thick. Them used to call her machine, but it big. Right? And she ain't bad looking either. But you know, in a pasa days, them, we used to have a thing when you're young, you know, you used to buy the DVD, them, and you carry go home, watch a pasa and you try remake every move where you see diamond, them, and all of them.
Yeah.
I go up on head top, you're in your living room, I try to go up on head top, out we broken it more. So we used to sneak out and go party. That them did all of that, me. So, me, in my teens, late teens, them in them early 20s, right? So there was this man that looked me. And he invited me to one party. Bear in mind, we live in a northern Manchester, and this party is in the south of Manchester. None of we don't drive. So the man said, come pick me up. I said, alright, no problem. Because we know how the man can watch her. We say we use Sykes and go over my uncle. My uncle very strict and miserable. Right? So we go over there and we say, alright, we'll bring with clothes. When I make it too obviously a party where I go. We're gonna bring with clothes.
The usual, cause the change for go on.
And take time, go over to the other community where the man for me to. But it's a hill we have to go over, you know.
Yeah.
If you know understand our country set up.
Yeah, man.
Community they below the next. And we they don't have low up community. And we go up top. Anyway, about 8 o'clock now we tell uncle say we are going yard. But like we tell our party we are get ready for go. Never know so the boy they out a road. I watch to see when my uncle shop I got lock and everything to see where we are go. We are climb over the hill and we say, yes, we get rid of the boy, And he call down the girl phone, you know. And she not answer and say, yo, because she didn't answer before and say, yo, me up on my uncle, I do something or whatever. Tell me why when they halfway up the hill, when I hear the boy say, sure. You think me not see you no? Raga a punch with the nut and I like say no light or nothing did there. Phone lights where I use to go over the hill. Right? I want like a truck where I go up. Me hear the man on the opposite side. I say, think me not hear on top of say I go. Raga we start sprint over the hill.
Well, him there behind you.
No, Raga, alright. To go into the other community, you have 2 roads you can take from the bottom road. Right? So we were on the one closer to my uncle's house. But there was another one, as I say, what do you call it, horizontal to it.
Okay, yeah. Beside it.
But there's a gap.
No, you would say parallel.
Sorry, let me say, I remember.
That's okay. That's fine. Fine.
So there was one parallel to it, right? But he can hear us if we're talking. Right, but because we didn't know say him outside all along our layaway to it. So when we start go over the hill, you know, him I go over the hill that is parallel because
okay. So him basically I walk on the road cross from Uno and I hear Uno in the darkness there and whatever.
Yes, because we are giggle, you know, because we think we trick him, you know. So we excited for go to the party. Anyway, I was almost reach at the top and we start sprint because him tall, you know, me short, my other cousin short, but she tall. So when them I take one step, me if I try to take 2 for catch up.
Right.
So when we reach up at the top now and the 2 road them about for join, we start book it. And I run towards the vehicle because the man out there wait for we in the van, you know.
Yeah.
Tell me why this boy start run down the van as soon as we jump in the vehicle and him that we see her come. I have to tell the man, nearly call the man name. I have to tell the man, say, yo, drive. The 3 we are scream drive.
Hold on. Here is a big question now.
Yeah, Raga.
She never left him after that?
Raga, left for the amount of drama with the amount of stories we can talk about that day.
No, you know, so that's why I feel so me look a bit paranoid and think I'm gonna accept it. Because them type of behavior there's something a little bit creepy and cringy about them something there.
Raga, you see him and my neighbor had my ex-husband, them divorced now, but born me too. Those 2 females and what they went through. Make me tell myself I would never date a male man. Many business who want to say no, I don't do with month. Those 2 men traumatized me based on what I saw those females.
Taurus man them down.
Raga, he is Taurus. Raga, the story not done this so. After we jump in at the vehicle and the man run down the vehicle. If anybody know how shut the road stay right out of money there, so I not tell no lie, Raga. And we gone a party, Raga. He might call on the phone, we ignore him. Because we done gone about our business. He don't know if we find me. Raga, tell me why when remember say I made the man like half, you know. And he invite me. Tell me when we there at the party. I dash out, remember say I pass a vibe with the pan, you know, because we are dancing and go along and everything we practice a yard, we go on the road and try it. So we are at girl. Tell me why when me ready, because the man buy with liquor, give me money, so we must go whatever I'm going to talk to him, Bridget. Why when me ready, we cannot find the ratted man. Go for drop her back away yard. Tell me why. The man can get like a pums and gone. Well, that was what I found out after. Him
Right,
and
right, right.
his baby mother come there and go give him like a pums. So him
Well,
take it as
that is
that is a sure.
understandable.
That is
That
a
is
sure thing. I
understandable.
never
Yeah,
sure.
yeah. Coochie
Yeah,
priority. You
man,
know, coochie priority. Coochie priority.
man never sure, but fear sure.
Yeah,
Right? So
when
the
sure
man
night
gone.
night there. You know. Yeah.
Yes, the man gone Raga, and it look like he fall asleep. And I look like other things say when he finally got all my things there. I think the wallet did left in the man vehicle. Right out a Newport there so. Raga or an Apache. I didn't even remember. I wanna the in adjoining community there.
Yeah.
Right, Raga? So we did a stuck at a party in the morning. When we got to the police, when we ready for left, cause the police station they're right in the square. When we ready for left, the police them lock up in the station. And I'm gonna tell we say them now no vehicle, them can't come carry we.
A regular thing that a
And
Jamaica.
we junking, we're drunk and we did a beat doggy door and the man just lock back the door and go inside. You know business with we. At the CM selector people them we pack up say you know say a man in this now. And we drunk and I laugh because we find it so funny. Know that me all we in a danger. We ain't nothing about that. We did
Yeah.
laugh because we said the man really gone.
Well, and the
And
whole
the
hour they
selector.
drunk. The whole hour they drunk.
Of course, right. When we said drunk, we knew what was going on, but
Tipsy.
we
Right.
tipsy.
Right. Okay. Right.
Right?
Right.
Miss a girl, my name is a junkie. But I did that tipsy. People they still there party, they jerk man, jerk man now left him man and whatever. So we did hang out and a chat and a laugh. So we found it so funny.
So well
So
on. If you just tie it up, though, I wanna get for reach home. Wanna reach home.
then that make a tell you no Raga. So the sound man them did a going a full direction towards Williamsfield so. The girl have to call the same man where she avoid all night. Call him and tell him what happened. So we ride gone missing. And him have to meet with Williamsfield. I man have to meet with Williamsfield after we get the drive with the sound man, the man they let we off. And him have to come pick up Raga. You ever see when Pitney get Ketch and them know so them gonna get a ass, huh? I saw
Yeah.
we walk towards the car, Raga. Silence. But we are laughing and keep up with foolishness,
And run we left the dog and all
Raga,
these things.
the man cuss me and lecture like say with parents. You ever say after we run left the man gone in a man vehicle gone a party.
Well, even
But
though
you
him,
too
well,
controlling,
even though him is a look at watch it pum do. Him kind
you
of
don't want
right.
nothing
Well,
happen to
him
the company.
kind of right though, you know. Cause me wasn't a big brother and tell me something. I said, I won't not do man now, the up about anything could have happened to me and them something there. So I would get a lecture from me too if me wasn't a big
Raga,
brother. Yeah.
must say, but me tell you, say, you see that man there? A regular thing he used to hide in a bush and listen. Sometime all night.
Quick question. Women like a little jealousy, right? All women
No,
like
that did
no,
Raga.
all women like a little jealousy, right? In fact, you have some woman who claims if the man not show some jealousy, them can't deal with him, which I don't. That sound like picnic something to me.
That's
But
unattractive.
you have woman who stay so. The woman say if the man not showing a jealousy, then you don't love me and me can't deal with no man who not this and that. Tony Mataran say good front forget stark. Him say, yo, if you Tony Mataran, you know him not to write it though. But you have some people that say, nah, if you have good front, I give sample front at true and whatever, and girl stay well and whatever. Look at stalking have to go and manager in that. But what I say is,
He was a stalker.
he was a stalker, right? No,
He
but
was a
is
stalker.
it there's something categorically unattractive about a man who just like, isn't there something unattractive about that? You don't feel so?
It is very unattractive, Raga. It was very unattractive, and you know me tell us that me use that and me use for them examples for know some enough ever date a me man if that me forgot true. But Raga a regular thing me used to do me tell say me used to in the outside and we inside a talk. Cause you know so sometimes when I pair females and a summer or something, we stay up late and a chat and sing. And sometimes you will just hear him bust out, take me in the ear and not chat. And you can tell we are sitting where we talk about an hour ago, and we just sit down on the veranda because it was an unfinished house. So the veranda never have no grill or nothing. But if somebody take time and climb up on the veranda and sit down there, we're not gonna know. You understand? So there was 2 rooms that join that connected to the veranda. So either if you sit at either window, we're not gonna know say you did there and listen to it. A regular thing me say dangerous man. That's
No,
what I see
man,
me
and
say.
neither man, for the woman, them would have say, yo, particularly on them day and age, where I'm, as a man, me can tell you, say, any woman who stays so, them type of stalker woman, them, man, cut them off with a quickness, man. You mad, man?
Raga, me go try if you see if our sister will ever come tell somebody the story them because she have better memory than me and she have enough more internet with that man than her sister.
Okay. All right, now say a word, you
That's
know,
my
big up
little
yourself,
story.
man. That, yeah, when a long time, yeah, body, you know. A
Long
long
time, Raga. That's why right now if me not go to one party and if me not do certain things make me good. Me tell
You're
people that
good.
all
Been
the
there,
time.
done that.
I'm
Been there,
good.
done
Been
that.
there, done
Run the
that.
road already, you see?
Yep. Yep.
All right. Now say a word. Blessings here. Cool.
Yeah, man, Raga.
All right, cool. Why people me don't know? Me uncomfortable with them people and whatever. If you pressure me too much or you shadow me too much, you know what them say. If you're too suffocating, man, I love space, I give woman space too. Yeah, cause woman forget space too. You understand? Yeah. Particularly in them day and age, man, you see anybody too starky, man. Watch your head back here, man, because some of them not too balanced. Greetings.
Hi, Raga. Good evening. Shelly and again.
Yeah, what good on?
Raga?
Who this?
Shelly Ann from last night.
Shelly Ann from last night.
Yes, with
All
the
right.
marriage thing. I never got married to the person because
Yeah. No,
I
the way you
have,
say it, man. I got Shelly Ann from last night, you remember?
Raga, so
Yeah.
we don't know if it's a generational curse upon me or what. But
Wow.
come like never see for every topic. When we hear about the stalking thing, it bring me back to 2000. Um, I was dating somebody, but after that, we had separated on good terms. So my them workplace now and this guy passed by and stop over the plaza. I'm there Jamaica, come from England.
Yeah.
But more always here, so when them come from England and like them in the cool, it's like them head not too.
Yeah, that Jamaican something say English people, them head touch, no?
Yeah, so anyway, I never really look for a relationship, neither did him either, I never really look for one either because he claimed to say him have 2 girlfriends, he come down for him a teacher. And anyway, but him kinda like me. So him a pre me. So him say if he can carry me up on a date. So I say yes. And we went to a dinner date and the way me reason with the man is like the man fall in love with me right. So
Which
and I
part
say,
in the car? Which part in the car?
uptown our little, bar and grill. I know nothing fussy. Me never really
Oh,
mind.
okay. Yeah,
Because
okay.
as me say, me kind of tall and chopped it, so me never really the short men are not my thing. But him carry himself clean and him a big man. So I say, alright. Him not look like him in the double double. Him look respectful, like him ready for second. Anyway, they talk to him now, when him drop me, him say me the first woman him see not beg him a credit. To him come from England, I beg him a credit. I beg him to go do the ear.
Tax him for your credit, no,
Yes,
money for do
to
here.
do here to
Big
go
turn
out.
off,
So,
huge turn off. Yeah, go
yes,
on, time.
that kind of grab him and till me realize when I start come my house and me start cook and him start to eat. Him never really did eat from first cause me don't know how own grow but him skeptic. I mean tell say move Gigi, look at me probably attract the crazy man them. Me don't know how. Anyway, him did and then we start talk. We start talk now and me realize say me and him end up and live now and realize say me can't go to my family. Me can't go home, him and watch me if even my family them come
No,
home and
Wallanda. You know, say I eat that you take me for. You know, say you take my swagger for idiot, do.
what me do?
Oh, you there, I give we mix up. And you tell me about a man who come from England and invite you to date and thing, and you go up on the date. And as you and then he say, like easy, you just, I mean, I'm end up a live now, and I can't go back to my yard, like, you give we mix up, we not end up a live, and we don't even, no, man, you're wicked, man, we not end up a live, you reach there, so in the mix up, and we don't even know, we not come and live together, you're wicked.
Me live for my own. Right? Then him say me for move in with him, so we go live together.
Then you never tell us say you and him start dugu, no start hooking all these things, man. So, are your man now?
Yeah, and like it get to him, it is like him
no, you have to lay the foundation. You see it all them something that you tell me now. All right. So why you go there with the man? What was it that make you go there with the man?
Him treat me good.
Him treat you good. What that mean?
Yeah.
Break down that. What that mean? You don't want nothing. So I'm gay. You him treat you good.
Alright, if me and him go on
well, spoken like a true Jamaican woman, you know, like him treat me good. What does treat me good mean? Me don't want nothing. Give me one more. Anyway.
No, man, no. If he's want to drive, yes, if me and him go to the restaurant and dinner date, him not pay. Him give me the money from home and say, pay it. Him that little thing about him no want it look like him a pay. So him always will give me the money from home and say, pay the money and you pay for the bill, you are spend. Them look where them teach me how to drive and him can't go to the supermarket, can't go to the market. But me never know says I mad at me there with you know.
No, hold on, no. Were you in love with hold on. Were you in love with him?
I mean I know.
What you mean you don't know?
Him treat me not to tell a lie. Me in love how him treat me. Because I'm sure.
No.
It kind of is like a rebound something because me tell you something, come out of one for a couple months and him just come and I kind of rebound. Me never really did in it for God so yet.
So I could keep it 100. You work with him because when him did I give you?
Yeah, and him respectful.
Good.
Him respect me to a level.
All right, then go on. So you see, we need to understand that now. But when you transition in the segue, you're something clean.
Him say, I can cook, my place clean, and I'm comfortable, and not a smell.
Well, that a kill we, you know. See if you can turn off that ringer, yeah, you know. Yeah, so him say you can cook, you clean, and him say you something. Well, listen to me. Well, hey, and him say it was a big deal to him. Say you something smell good. Eh?
Yeah, because he must say, even though me, I want mature person. Brother, sorry. Sorry. Even though me, I want mature. Anyway, that's we live on thing, and after we live there now, we notice we can't do nothing. If we go market, we can't go market. If we go supermarket, we can't go supermarket. If we go look for my family, we go look for my family. We can't go look for my family. We can't do nothing by myself. So anyway, we notice when we start show all our family to me. One, him just walk on and show them me. I show them me. Never know say him let go the two girls them when I talk to and I deal with me alone straight. Oh, me never know now. He introduced me to one of my friend and the friend said, oh, so I she this with a good pum pum. And him see she and him say, yo, John was star, boss, you have to say that star. You know when you tell woman them thing them go on like say, them want to use it against her. And I said not go on. It ended up that him, me don't know, something wrong with him head and I start now feeling because if the man get jealous of anybody when me talk, you know. Then one day the man, when I know say really gone bad, one day the guy when me stop talking to him, after him, him going on my phone for the number, call the man. That time me going to my mother yard, you know. Him said to the man, what shall I do? So the man said, ooh. The man said, ooh.
Well, do me a favor now. You can't turn off the ringer on your phone, you know.
Now go over.
Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Did you
Hello?
turn off the ringer in your phone?
Yes. So anyway, him say, what shall I do? So same time, the man say, oh, you can ask me for Shelly. And are you and Shelly supposed to do? So the man end up calling me and ask me what kind of madman me there with because me and him not there, and the man ask me for you. And I said, me there, my mother. Same time I see him coming at the car park, him drive on Mark 2, I see him coming at the car park. And I see him a look left and I look right. And I just don't wash some clothes and my mother and some of my underwear them and something, Cause I'm back and forth. So when I look, I see the man start smell the underwear them on the line. And like him see one way him like me squint the window and I look, And like him see one way him like me take off one. But then take off and I go and I start fret. Me
Hold
start
on. You see the man a smell your drawers them on the line?
Yeah, and take and go with one till 12. I don't know where there. I'm here to tell you
And
something.
after I smell your drawers, but the drawers them not clean.
Yeah, me know, but me don't know what did I go in. I'm here to tell you something. Me don't know.
And while I take off one and go with that one. When put it in pocket, what you see him do with the Jesus
Have it now
mercy.
on. Him just take it now and walk away.
And walk away.
Yeah, then I say, no, this no look safe. So I say, I go back up and tell him, say, nah, work. And when I tell him that I got one piece of war, him say, I'm going to kill me. Him say, I'm going to drive me over Causeway and show my body over there. So I start, I stay there sometime, I start see my friend, but I remember that friend there. So one night, we in the house attack, and I tell the friend, oh, I'm going like him cool. So the friend, me and the friend in there, we're on the ear, Sherry? One woman voice. So my friend pull the door. When my friend pull the door, I'm here, she said, T, are you going like woman so out there? And he said, John no star. You never want to do that in a star, but you want to know Shelly in there. And I said, Lord God, this get look bad now. So I tell him, I'm going to move out.
Well on, him come your friend yard and put on a woman voice and a call.
A woman voice, and she answered the door and she said, him. And then when him, she said she's not here. Then when him gone, she tell me. And I said, no, this will get serious now. This will get worse.
This after him smell your drawers and teeth, it don't.
Lord Jesus. Yes, Raga, yes.
Listen, I'm going to ask you something. I want you to tell me the truth because God I look on you and you tell like God I go box you.
True.
After you see him smell your drawers and teeth, you did open back your leg for him after that even one time?
Me tell him no, Raga, everything start got dead in my feet. I'm going to tell him, and I'm going to tell him no, and that start the war bigger than how it big. When he say I'm going to kill me, but guess or no? When they meet me, they have everything, and him have everything when we meet him. So we have like 2, and 3, everything. 2 fridge, 2, 3 bed. We meet him with things. Because I have a son in Jamaica. And I said, if I'm going to move to a country, because I don't know all my feel so. So I'm going to mandeville like mother. So I said, all right, you left my things and you move. When we go back at the house, no, I don't see not even a pin for me. The man go with everything for me, Raga. Everything and say, me and wife, so if no one, them have to come down there. And I said, nah, go. Anyway, one day the man tricked me, One day the man tricked me, so I have to come down there. The man said, me give him something, man. I said, blood, see that what is step on me. Man said, anyway, me there, I'm going to kill me, I have to come.
Say you give him disease. Lie matter.
The man do everything for me come down there.
Carry my dry, yeah.
And for me come down there, so me now go. So when me now go, him say, man, come kill me. Raga, the man make me go all in a church. One day, I go here, my friend said to me, say, sit here behind. And I say, where? After another spirit. Me say, when I look around, the man in the back of the church, like something come back at the house and ask for me there. And like somebody tell him, say, me over the church. When I look behind me, I hear me in the church, in the prayer meeting, because I have to pray now and fast to get him off of me, And I tell the pastor about him, so them say, for come prayer meeting. So when I look at the man at the church, at the back of the church, me start freak, him look wild now, him look wild, and him lose weight, and I say, blood seed. And when me I go do, so them time, me end up get through for cut and go find, but me I tell you, so the man start me day in, day out, day in, day
No,
out.
man, no, that's scary. That's scary. Bad.
We don't know. Till it reached the point where when him train me and come over my mother, and next night, my mother, my brother, my sister, them, everybody come out and say, yo, if me go back with him, come a ball, you know. I mean, I get sorry for him, and them say, if me go back with him, me dey on my own, cause if him kill me, as well him say, me dey on my own, them not gonna look for me. And him a say,
No, man, them frightening, man. You have to load them out, man. Crazy, man. That you have to give, it's a good thing you get through and come and fire around them, because you don't know what you mother do.
The man I look for my number. Me not gonna tell no lie because him be good to me. But 2 years after I go and find, I send him 150 US because I pay the same one by one Clarks and one something. And I send him the 150 US. So I remember the kindness them when him do.
Well, yeah.
The man video call me one day and I see the whole of my picture frame, the man furniture in the background. The man have them till to the day.
When you say picture frame them, you know,
Like,
in the picture them.
The wall arts them and stuff.
No,
and
but you mean what do you mean? Just the frame or the picture them in a frame?
Pictures in the frame, everything. Him have everything. Him have my bed, I eat him sleep and I give him son the other one. Him no let go nothing. That's why I know say this man still no let go. When I call him still I say wife. Me boy, I mean I know something wrong with him.
So hold on. So you didn't get a divorce? You never actually married him or anything?
No, I just call my wife.
Just call your wife. So hold on. So what about you think the boss in I made so and thing? I really are you front for you?
Yeah, man, my feel say my born gifted. Me not tell like everybody go to have a mad problem after. Or me a mad them or them born mad. Me don't know where I go on.
No, hold on. So you say you're born gifted with you think because like you say in bridging them say him say that you have this such and such a coach.
He left the other two. He leave the other two for me.
And left the other two for you.
Yes,
So
that's why it mad when it never work out. Time leave the other
so
two.
hold on. So my man say based on your when you say you're born gifted now, based on your experience.
I'm not gonna tell a lie. You have some women who are comfortable and you have some who are not comfortable. Me have a talk for me. What them tell me, say them say, me here man tell me, say when them enter me, them feel a roughage at the front, something rough. Like a grip and a it turn a man. So me don't know
What
what
a
that-
blood clot.
I don't want pathway.
I don't want
smooth. I don't want smooth pathway. This kind of it hard. I don't know. Everybody me talk to is either them get mad.
Them said there was something about one and man. Them said there was something about when you go in our living room and you reach the doorway and I go in. It's just different, don't
Yeah, them say them feel like one grip, one roughage. It not just
grab it, yeah. It's not just slide in, it grab it, yeah.
Yeah, I that the man tell me. I that them tell me. Me nah tell no lie. Me even tell some go in a church and not try to escape the man and the man come in a church with me. And I'm telling you, the man telling friends if and him born till no one a day with woman. He never feel no woman so in him life. But you have some man just blessed and gifted that way that you have somewhere. That's why I stay to myself now. Me stay far because me don't know. It's like them get a me then I'll
so hold on. What? Yeah.
Still start me after 11 years. And man still start me.
So you hold on, man.
He didn't tell me, say just look for me and know. That he tell me. He look for me and know. Say it good. Him can tell, man can tell.
Say your front good. Your front good like that. Hold on. No, let me ask you something. So is your front one of them front there where you don't even have to all wine or nothing from them, just go in there and thing and whatever, them lock and seal like one of them.
Lone papa.
Bomber.
The man act like animal the man act like every animal in the jungle terrority. Lion, tiger. Boy, I don't know, bro. I don't know. I just have to stay to myself.
So you hold on. You never there with a man yet and your front like it's not a big deal to him because him used to that and that. You never there with a man like that yet.
No, I don't know lie. Me I tell him, me don't know. Me say, me don't know. Me tell her say, me don't know if I some family. Me don't know what. Me never. No, me always have to live. Me because the way them are going, me can't. Me just
hold on, man. Say every man you there with
no every
upset. Well, obsess over your front because I want different thing that when them get it and thing, them lose their mind, right? That's
But
all.
then tell me, say, yeah, quite a few people like that, quite a few women out there like that. Well, it's like a suction then. That one of my boyfriend he tell me, it's like when he entered, it's like a suction, something, pull him, like
No,
a
no,
muscle
no, no,
contract,
no,
right?
hold on.
Why not? I mean, I know if I
No,
explain that.
listen now. You do, like you have woman, I always explain, you have woman out there who can tighten it. And when workings are going, them know if to tighten it. And when them tighten, it nice. Man love that, right? It's a woman who, particularly the woman who have it natural or the woman who train themselves through Kegel exercises to do it. When them tighten,
Like, I mean, I like workout, I mean, I workout.
listen. So in general, that tight up something there, that nice. Man love it. However, you have a smaller percentage of women who know, me call it, them make them chun breathe, deep breathe, right? That is just my explanation feat, right? And them have a way of when them contract the muscle and thing, and when you in there, you do feel a suction, you know, we say vacuum, right? So it's like the chun a inhale and it draw you in, and them know when you come down, when you whine and I go down and them draw you in. That make you lose your mind. You pop off in a second with that. But it's a technique. It's not something where they then hold on. It's a technique. It's something where the woman have to do. When me I hear from you is that you not have to do nothing. And some sort of suction is there with draw in them and thing like that. Me never hear.
I just know, say, them something that exists where you just say a while ago. Me just know, say, it's like, him just tell me, say, from the man enter, there's this like, how me I put it now, like, there's a grip, like a roughage. So it's like when it's a rub on it in its head, it turn him on, but when it go in, it's like a suction there. It's like, but me not do nothing after me not work out and me not do them something there. I have time walk alone and kill me.
Samantha says she can relate or whatever. I'm not someone I run in and probably don't even have it either, you know. You know, just bill. You know, but I go and like so the whole I have it and all these things. So when me I say, hold on, listen to me now.
For 3 years now, Raga.
You're single for 3 years now?
Yes, me tired of it.
Really? Why you single for 3 years now?
Because me not have no luck with men. So it better for me.
What you mean you don't have no luck with man? What you mean?
Because that always happen, them always war me. Always start me.
Them always have a war you over your front, don't?
What me tell you a scenario about last night, I never sleep with him. And every day the man I say, him know me have a good pum pum, him know. Just that every day, morning, noon and night, we stop talking, the man still say the same thing. Boy, and then the one when I talk to them same way, the one before him when me stop talking, you know, I find out that him cheat, you know, and me left, you know, and him a ball. Say he never want me go. Me not understand, man. And when me say left a beer ballings.
Listen to me, man. In the interest of scientific advancement, I would like to suggest that you allow your vajayjay to be appropriately studied and researched to see what... No. Scholars need to study that something there. I know. I go on this.
And a joke me and make me hear men say women are like, you have women out there like that, but it's not a lot. Me hear men say that.
No, man, you have some woman. Me have a friend, she say, sometime when she had date a guy and them date for a while and she said she feel, you know, I say, I'm going to give him some and whatever. She said, in general, she can't whine or do nothing. She said she just have to still. Because once them go in there, she said, man just lose their mind and whatever. So she don't know what, them just lose their mind. But she said, if she love the man and there with the man, she will whine. But she said, anyhow she go whine. Anyhow she gonna make it interesting and put on the little spice on it. She said, obsession. and stalkings and whatever. So she said when she meet a guy and she like a guy, she just lay down and she said from them going there, them lose their mind. She said she just have that something there. Whatever. She said apparently some woman stays off it true.
Woman say something true. Me no know. Maybe the very few and it's not a lot. But me nah have to do nothing. Me nah have to do nothing great or nothing. Me no know. It's just like
No,
them go
I notice
that
me
father like
see some people.
tough and
Me see some
them nah
people
go-
in the chat. Me see some people in the chat. Me know it's enough people have enough of the woman them are worn up that title. So when I have that something there too. I was so.
have woman like that for you. It's like you have woman like that for you who just were always comfortable. Always
Yeah.
comfortable.
Living
Always.
room ever comfortable and nice, don't?
Yeah.
I have that, but me never know of that suction thing that they're just natural. So, me know of it when woman know how to do it. Woman know how to do it, right?
I don't know.
Some woman confuse it. Some woman think it's a tightening thing. It's not the tightening thing alone. It's the best way to explain this is like it's a breathe, it's a inhale and it's a exhale. It's like it just pull you in, like. But it's a technique, and some woman know how to do it, right? You know, but you are saying you know do nothing, and then go in there, them just obsessed.
But I'm not really too kind, you know. I'm not really I've go in a lot of relationship, you know. With them always last a long while.
Yeah.
And so it sex them something that really fears me no more and that, you know. But rather that the man tell me, so that's why I'm afraid. Me I tell you say me have man ball, me have one next relationship with a man ball, and then one day we say him go kill me, and then one day they go promise me wedding. And me not do it and he must start me see him.
And them say the juju make them stay so. Or your personality.
You know, my personality is nice too. You come, I'm a lovable person. I always laugh, make you laugh, and my kind. But I'm not that man. Me just feel to say, me have rather era. Cut the story short. Me just feel to me have good pum pum problem.
You have good pum pum problem.
Yeah.
You have good pum pum problem. All right, we work with that. We work with that. So hold on. So you go. I mean, 3 years single now and things. So you go resolve.
I choose to. I am just sick and tired of being sick and tired. I choose to. And
but when me answer, so
I'm all right with that.
So what is it that you want a man? But you're in a conundrum because is it that you want a man who no obsess over your pum pum? So is that you prefer a man who won't be frightened for your pum pum?
I want a real man, a man who just stand up as a man. You don't want a madman and look like a madman me attract. Me can't bother with that.
No, but you don't answer my question, you know. Is it that you want a man who will appreciate your loving and your pum pum but not mad over it? Is that what you want?
I want a man who just know say when if he just strong up, if not some weak, if he's strong up.
Yeah.
Me tell you say I got the man. But the man go, one piece of animalistic sitting. Yo, me not.
No, we go through that already. So me say, yes, so you just, so you hold on, man. So you want, hold on. You say, hold on. So you want a strong man who can appreciate your poems, but not obsess and mad over it and turn idiot over it and weak over it. Okay, all right. We just want to be clear on that. All right, then, big up yourself then. Thank you for that one. The interesting. You said the lady says.
A strong-minded person. If
all right.
On a tone, me guy, you know, have to start and watch me. Oh, mother.
All right, then. Well stated. Big up yourself here. All right. Hello? Yeah, man, blessing. People, the lady,
yeah, the lady. Still, but next time.
Next time. Yeah, man, you come with them at other days, yeah, man, cool. So, there you have it, people. The lady say she have a good pum-pum problem. I guess that is a good problem for a woman to have, no? It's a contradiction there, you know? Even the term good pum pum problem, you know, there's an inherent contradiction there. But I would imagine that is a not so bad problem for a woman to have, you know, a good pum pum problem. Judine Pucci says we need more proof. Judine, I don't know how you're going to get that, you know. Right? I don't know how you're going to get that, you know. Yeah, but it would be interesting to know if it's just a case where, because some people attract a type of person, you know, yeah? Some people attract a type of person. And there are women who attract men who, the man them who them attract them frightened for front. So, and in that case, it would be more about the man them who frightened for front as opposed to the extraordinary capacities of the pums. Okay? But at the same time, as a man, me can tell you, you have some woman, I don't know, biology or what, but no two living room feel the same way. Right? Just as I'm sure many of you women can say, yeah, at the end of the day, you know, no two instruments from man feel the same way. We as men can tell you, no two living room feel exactly the same way. No two living room feel the same. And there are some, like, once you go in there, you just get a feeling as a man who can share that with you. Remember, big people show this, you know. So you have some of them when you go in there, man, right? Yeah, man, you have some papa pums out there, man. Yeah, you have papa pums out there. You go in there and you want papa off right away. And if you don't even to understand the game as a man, you're going to start to try to explain that with some supernatural thing and I say, well, go on this or whatever. Some man get them little thing there. Hey, let me tell you something we men talk about. You will get all the sample pums, you know, will make you pop off quick, you know, mash up here, you know, you wonder if there's something wrong with you, you know. And every time me end up in a conversation with men about this, you know what the man them have to do? For kind of, them have to go get to another pum pum, you know. And when they get to another pum pum and them juggle with that pum pum and them say them a boss with it and thing, you know. The man can't tell you say that happen. They probably not really come out with it and thing. But man can't tell you say them do that. It's like you have to get another pum pum for like retain your sanity, you know. Because when you get the other pum pum now, you juggle and you see you can do your thing for a while and run it. Some people say I true that. Somebody say I true that. And whatever and juggle. And then when you go back now, and you go pop off quick again, you know say I something to do with that pum pum there. Yeah, man, you have some pum pum just make you pop off quick, man, you know. You have to approach them different, you know. And from you know say it's a pop off pum pum now, you just prepare yourself, you know say you ain't in a rush, you know, yeah. Yeah, make sure you get your sleep, you know. And you can't tired feet, you know. And whatever, you have a bounce your thing different, man. To make sure so you can last because, you know, say other type of pum-pum there, you understand? You can't come in and look a boy game with that. You have to come proper on your headspace, proper and think, you know, say, catch you on the sly and thing and whatever. Your leg go and you never did even want to do that. Some woman have that for you, I can't tell you that as a man. I'm going to take some calm, but one other thing do. And again, this is just what men say, right? So it don't necessarily have to be true. But this is just what men say. Ladies, it's just as how you have all these stories where say the man them with the devil dick and them are always a terror and a them terrible and them disgusting and they can't deal with them. There's a similar thing men say about women here. You see the woman them with the crazy sample pum pum them. Always a mad woman them, you know, man. Yeah, man, always a mad woman them, man. And the difference now with some of them something, there's a woman more likely for runner from a man with devil dick, you know. But men weaker when it come to that something there. So the man them more likely for still there with a woman, you know, a mad woman with a sample pums, you know. Man, them have less certified crash out. So, leg on my shirt. Yeah. Nah, man, me I tell you, man, the woman them who have the sample work, man, them always, them head cheap certain way and whatever, you know? Them man, it's hard for you there with them, a warboard, them a warrior, them crazy certain way or whatever. I don't know how what. But, you know, I just one of them things there, you know? When Kimmy Link said, Kimmy, you're bad, you know, you're a bad girl, man. You broke me out, all right? Okay, I can see what I go on there, so now. The lady says she have a good pum problem. Hello? 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 No, go on this, so. Go Lego. People do remember, you know, anybody want to buy a ticket from a party, right? You just send me a text and think. People been buying ticket from me. Them send me a text, right? I go on the number, and I put on the number now, and just send me a text and think, put the number on the phone. And ready, I go on the number now, all right? 516 500 0210. 516 500 0210. We can't give out number too much over on TikTok, you know, you will get penalized here. But anybody who want to buy tickets directly from me for Ragabash, or send a text right this time with link and thing, all right? Greetings. Greetings.
I thought, man, but my phone battery, my phone battery dead.
Oh, you see it? You have one will heap a big chat out there and thing and your phone pop down like down about phone battery
Like,
there.
no, try style, man. What you talking about, man?
I hear
My
that phone.
iPhone 16 Pro Max. What you talking
Nah,
about?
but you just say a Pro Box, you say, is a Pro Box phone you
Pro
have now.
Max, Pro Max.
A Pro Box, you say a while ago, you know, is a Pro Box phone you have, you know. Then tell me something now. By your phone, the flip still work?
Kind of flip it that, man.
Don't know what flip phone you have, the flip still work.
You think I Shelly? You think I Shelly? Shelly.
We answer, my Dan. We answer.
You know, that question more ask,
Yeah.
want to know if that you have a problem with Anushka.
Yeah, Anushka, what
That
about her?
comes the Anushka have?
No. You know, say, even though that are from 19, whatever. You know, say, from you call a woman name, I not like me, I not do that something they do, I not talk about them, so, yeah.
No, but you know, like you're not reading chat. Like chat that ask you.
What the chatter asked me about her with Anushka, right?
Never
Hey,
ask you for that Anushka do.
nah, never that did hold me with her still. I did different thing, you know. But nah, she did, you know, she couldn't now. Nah, man, I mean, nah, let me be honest. She, no details. She make me know about something, but I mean broke her in the other something them, man. Gangster, what me to you? But that is it, you know. If I'm name call, Ragga talk because me never do nothing yet. Me never do nothing yet. And you know, I know my rule. Protect the ladies and the ladies must protect me. So,
Yeah, but
okay.
you know how you can call Anushka name. No,
Nah, me talk about Anushka. Yeah, man. You know Anushka, man, go left me and go there with Matt. I mash up my head and make me a walk and ball.
I'm bad. Every man have that woman there.
Nah, man, but let me tell you with Anushka, no, a gangster, you know, like, we young, you know, me myself at the 30 odd years, them time, that enough years ago. But you know, me like with she, you know, them woman, who, if you say, yeah, ready,
Yeah.
anywhere, any place, I see that, right? Let me give you vibes. On the train,
Yeah.
in a
You
taxi
know,
in a New York City.
You don't have to go no further.
Yeah, I'm say, "Rrr," and she said, "Are you serious, going to door?" I'm say, "Hell yeah," and she's like, "Are you serious?" And I'm say, "Come on, whatever this and that." And I was just tell the cabbie, say, "Cabbie, just drive, bro. Your money good." And I see that gangster them way, you know, y'all in a party and all them thing there, whatever thing, and there's a girl we always back it up on you and it look like she a dance and whatever, and them thing now, proper gangster, you know, that me like with her, man. She good them way there, you know. Yeah, she did have that something there, you know. And I fear for she was just fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then she gonna take it and go give Matt.
Yeah, boy. Mash up here there now.
No, hey, Matt a wicked, you know.
Dirty
Yes.
boy, man.
No, when I time I see when I time, you know, she go, I have a friend named Julie and she said, but Matt really loves her and and that's why I don't want to get involved between you guys, and I think she's really into Matt and whatever. And she said, look, so she show me something where Matt I say at the top, right?
Yeah.
But me see the other text, you know, like the message, and the boy Matt, I say, well, I'm competing with him. And I'm not giving up because I heard something about Jamaicans and I'm not giving up and I'm competing. I'm gonna say the other one, I'm gonna say this John Croyer. Yeah, so you know, it's a Matt did set out for say, you have to beat that boy, you know.
Yeah.
You have to beat that boy. So it look like Matt must have something for say these Jamaicans and whatever. Me have to come different. You know the dog do Anushka and bust me head, man. The dog fly out go Paris. We couldn't do that with it, bro. Yo, and you know, so from him fly out go Paris and all them. How you for beat that as a youth, man? You did that, whatever. Yeah, and a big man come and fly your girl go to Paris and thing and probably shell her out over there under the Parisian light.
Probably.
Yeah. And probably say, my girl, go over here, so bend over now. All right, look on the Eiffel Tower. Yeah, I did some Mark boss man. Man could have her look on the Eiffel Tower and make sure she General, me can't believe me there Paris and look on the Eiffel Tower and General send it to me and whatever. Hey, you know what? I'm done with Raga, I'm done with Kingsley. I'm not go back to Kingsley, I think. Oh, you mean, man. Hey, dog. And then, you know, when she fly go over there straight first class, you know, and a pian something, you know. And a pian something, man. I mean, I said the dog, and you know, say over there, so the fashion thing, you know.
Yeah.
And she did done in that something that she, in fairness to her, she's a simple girl, whatever, but she has an appreciation. And she make me know what hot couture is, you know. Meaning unique. It's just a unique. When designer make one or something. Right? And she make me know about them something there. And you know, when you're in Paris, she in the hotbed of that. Me and say when good goods come back off our first trip, man, and thing and whatever. Me and some designer name, I do every day I know so them the designer the exist and thing. The dog put it on her, you know. And when she come back now and she see me and you know and down there now, both me I do my masters and thing and whatever. And I buy butterbean and all them something there and I come. And I tell her, I say, yeah, me I go hard fun, me I go buy some saltfish and tin mackerel. What you want? And thing. And then no, say, Matt did have her bend over and look on the Eiffel Tower when he must send up his strength and thing. I saw Matt bust me head, man. Matt a wicked. You understand?
So you should have program Julie then, man.
Eh?
Should have program Julie then.
No, but no, I think me tell you no. They you know say when years you know, long after, you know, good come back and draw back for me, you know.
Lord.
Me tell you no?
No, we never hear that. Yeah.
No, well now, you have to hear this. You know, it's a good come back and draw back for me, you know. But me now on different space, them time me I lecture at the University of the West Indies, you know, and good said, no man, me I fly you up, come. And you know which hotel we stay to, you have one Trump Tower there right beside Central Park, you know, man.
Yeah.
Right? Penthouse, you know. Because Matt rich, you know, Matt a multi-millionaire, you know. Matt start a company where insure CEOs of Fortune 500 multinational companies. You hear what I say? They insure CEOs of Fortune 500 multinational companies. And I'm not the normal, my thing no normal, you know.
Yeah.
So you know it's a good job for me and thing and whatever and and them time them on a junk crew, you know, raga junk crew, you know, you understand? So you know, so me, you know, my sister she go through some little because the truth is she run go over there for the Ray, you know, cause Matt did have it like that, you know, but Matt be a 300 odd pound and him something there. You know, all right. I mean I beat him, just I say, you know, whatever. So I don't know enough time woman do them something and then reality knock them. You see what I say?
Yeah.
And them go through a little thing and whatever and so she reach out now and say boom, so my fly go up there and gone up in a penthouse and and me I see in my me not lie. At that time me I say Matt you fuck are you? Yeah, so I'm going to say real lashings and whatever. I think I'm say full circle. God not sleep. You want to hear me? I justify it. I think I whatever. Boom, you know, Jack back at Jamaica now. So, to cut long story short, she give me a talk. But them time that, you know, we're not frightened, you know?
Yeah.
And thing, we grew up now, years and years after, you know, so man, you know, my reason when I say, B, you know, so probably you should not do this, you know? I mean, keep it 100 with them. I say, you have a good thing going, man, you know, and this man has been good to you and whatever, and wait. You really, she said, no, it's like she just need that pure love and what, she going all kind of sitting and whatever. But me never did it so them time there, you know. Nah, but you ever know, when I said to her, you know, at the time, I show you how that thing I turn out bilious, you know. I said to her, I say, yo, this man, your husband, you know, because they're married now, you know.
Okay.
So I say, your husband, this man is heavily connected, you know. Yeah, you know, things say, yeah, play with fire with this. She said, no, him no know. Him no know nothing, because I said this and that and really. So I said, no, yeah, girl, you write everything, you know, you still do your journaling. She said, yeah. I said, nah, I don't know, you know. And she did it, and she said, no, she govern her thing. And I tell her, see, me just follow my spirit every time. I can't go wrong, you know, because I say, I follow my spirit and I reason out the thing. I say, this a boy you're an idiot, you know? This a boy you're connected and them something and whatever. And now go in a certain details, but she get to tell the man, but she go through this and that type of stress and whatever, and she just need to spend some time over with her man. So, because Matt buy big house for her mother and father America, you know. And then Matt go buy big house for she. Multi-million-dollar house down in Florida. And so it's like Matt give her everything when she want, you know, if say, if I this you want to take a look at time or whatever, but you know, she do her thing and I draw back for her college sweetheart, you understand, and whatever. And when me tell her, I put it on her, you know, man, yeah, I go on with this something, you know. Anyway, you know, say, I will go on a couple trip me make, you know. New York, Florida, you know, some little trip and whatever and thing I never come. I decide, so I not spend my money. Any money I spend, she have to spend it and thing. I done with that with she. You understand, you know? And when I tell her, so I live some breed of life there at that time. One day she called me now and say, yo, it's over. I said, what over? No. She said, it's over. Matt knows everything. So I said, all right. So you know, say me did when I did at Jamaica, I go jail 3 times. I go 3 different jail at Jamaica. I mean, I hide, the people know that. So she said, when she go home to the house where I buy for her, she see him sister. And she see some man mask up in her dark glasses and whatever. And them in some black SUV and machine up and thing and whatever. And so I say, so it's that serious? And she say, yeah, them change the lock and take back the house and them something there and whatever. And the sister said, my brother said to tell you, you betrayed him with a convict. Yeah. He betrayed him with an ex-con and da-da-da-da, whatever. So, Matt have my fight, whatever. So she started telling me something where, I mean, my life is that people who know me say, if I do Ian Boy in the show, I'm not hide nothing. I'm tell you what. But them start come up with some other something where people don't know. She say some other something and I say, no. How Matt know them something there?
Yeah.
And she said, I mean, you were right. We were being followed and watched the entire time. So me I said, eh. She said, yes. So Matt hired private, you know what I know? Private, what the word she used? Well, I'm not telling. No, private intelligence officers, former CIA and Mossad agents. You hear who the man are?
Yeah.
Former CIA and Mossad agents. And for those of you who don't know what the Mossad is, it's the Israeli Mossad, which is some people say is the most deadly efficient spy agency, even better than the CIA in the world. So she said, yeah, and it got crazy because like them I say, consideration was given. It's like that. You see, when me are going to Trump Tower and them hotel and whatever, them have all of them picture there. And video of me. Yeah, from me come out of the airport, them a trap me and a watch me and them something. It's coming like one of them Jason. Yeah, so she said them have all of them something there because him say I go carry that go court. So him a tell her say, cause them have a son, you know, Daniel. Them have a son, so him the sister tell she say, cause everything plan out, you know. Everything plan out. She just a hear now. So the sister tell she say, Matt say, him a keep the son. And if you're not going to contest this divorce, and if you contest the divorce, we have this because you were with an ex-con, and this is him, and them have everything and whatever. You know, I say when she sent a picture to me and thing and whatever, it's a camera, you know.
Yeah.
But the camera have me in a crosshair. You know what a crosshair is, right? It's a target. Right. So presumably it's from the camera. So me go say, the camera me I refer to, you know.
Yeah.
Because you know, long distance camera, you have it where you have focus on. But it's really a crosshair where you use if you use a sniper rifle. But at the camera me I refer to. So me say, I guess she just had me in his crosshairs. She now thinks that me I refer to like sniper thing and go say,
right.
Yeah, there was some consideration to take you out.
Wow. What? Right.
Well, you hear me? Said that one boy is like the dog did I say, you know, some slap way made back and thing. It's like whoever them did I do it like them I say, you know, so we can't get with him now in a bar. Say what you say. I mean, it's a mad say, nah man, no, don't. No, I mean, when me hear that part, you know, we just quietly say, well, all right, Matt. Yeah, Matt, respect for that one, them. Listen, respect for that one, them, Matt, because, you know, you look like, but me read the play a long time, you know, because this a boy, I up there so him juggle, you know. I up there so him juggle, you understand, them protect. You know, the CEOs of Fortune 500 company is always a security issue with them, right? So, you know, people would kidnap them, man, for ransom or whatever. So it's a whole different world of protecting them. So what happened now is that the insurance companies who insure them, they get involved with the security. And them use top of the line security. Hence, the people them who have the cutting edge technology them and the people them who have access to these sophisticated spy apparatus and all them something there and whatever. Yeah, former intelligence agents of the CIA, the FBI, and the Mossad, right? So it makes sense. Somebody don't know say the same word. So that's why I said to her, I said, B, I think you underestimate the own man. No, man, him don't know nothing, man. Blah, 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 blah. And the whole time, he dog them could have slapped with me head back and thing and whatever. And I know, so one time I bring her around on the balcony and thing and whatever, them could have pitched me this. No, you see when you tell me that, I said, John, when I did out on the balcony that time, then them could have slapped me way easy. My God,
Answer
man.
a question now.
Yeah.
Answer a question.
Yeah.
What the difference between Suleiman and Matt?
Between who?
Suleiman, the lady before, when said the man I follow her up.
No, Matt, no. Matt is, you know me, they are laugh and joke and whatever. No, I respect Matt.
No.
Matt,
May I ask what the difference in terms of what they were doing?
No. Matt is not a stalker. Matt suspects something and then diligently use his resources to investigate and determine what is going on to find out what exactly him inner and him find out and him make him move. In fact, no man, what Matt do is a sober, objective, strategic, calculated power move. What Matt do? A summon for work.
Right.
Where how Matt flow, me would have flow so.
But some people that would have it for saying I watch your poem stuff.
No, and I watch your poems. What happens is that if you in a relationship and the person I go around you and I use you, I tell you, you know, the man buy house for your family, you know, and buy big house for you, and them time the X5 they just a come on. Brand new X5 she get and them thing there, whatever. And so if you in a position where your people them a tell you one thing, but I clown you out and I ground you out and whatever, and you realize that this thing is over. You understand, right? Because if you ever treat me, so then you're not somebody I want to be with. Then the question becomes, what is the best way to extricate yourself from that situation? Right? Because if him go about it wrong, I keep it 100 now, if him go about it wrong, you see the game how it play out there. All she have to do is start ball and play the victim, the female victim, and this and that, and accuse him of so and so and so and so. And that would increase the probability that she will prevail in court with a claim against him. You follow me, I say?
Yeah,
so he must have thought out that. Obviously, them people, them retain counsel. So he must have gotten some, you know, some high-level lawyers who say, okay, this is how we have to go about it. It's all about evidence. So we have to have a multitude of evidence to make a particular argument against her. And he saw them set about, and he has the resources to do that. But I'm saying that's the way you go. That is how you play the game. For the way Matt was moving, it's not about emotions. It was about being strategic, right? So by the time he marshaled all of them evidence, which involved me, and by the way, she never gave me the full story too, but because she did do other thing, you know, with our orthodontist. There's all these other things that she did do. Me just tell you about my part, right?
Right.
So basically, she was unhappy for a long time.
Yeah.
And was succumbing, no pun intended with the word, succumbing to distractions.
Mm-hmm.
So she been a do her thing. Right? She just tell me about my part. So I Matt have all of that. So when I say Matt was smart in putting all of that together, you know? And then make him move in a way where what should I go do?
Right.
Him have all of the evidence for now. You understand what I say?
Yeah.
If men move like that, you know, it would be That a some man for move rather than you run go and kill woman and all them something there and I kill woman and I kill yourself and I kill the picnic them too. Them man they weak.
Right.
A weak man them they mad strong. Matt strong. And me respect
man.
Matt. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Matt is a
man.
strong, smart man. Cause Matt did I go through it, you know. Cause Matt did I try to keep her and whatever and thing and I save him, whatever. And in the midst of that and all them pain there, whatever. I don't know if I advice from people or if I saw him stay or whatever, I don't know him. But me I say whatever it is, the irony of it, isn't that interesting? The irony of it, because did I style me up, you know. But the irony of it is that me have the maturity there now for kick back and say, you know, it's a matter of the man.
Right.
Yeah, man. Me rate Matt, man. Me respect Matt. Who me not respect are the man them when born reach them and them gonna kill the woman them.
Right.
Who me not respect are the man them spend a bag of money upon a woman and then when him hear say so and so him start think, but you know how much money me spend upon her, you gonna kill the woman and kill the people and then kill the... Them man them me not respect. Them man they weak.
Drink grandma's loan.
Them man they weak. Me respect man who a big bun reach him, a big use reach him and him say, yeah, hear me now. It is what it is, you know. Make me say, oh, me gonna take myself out of this. And him play him cards right. So that him can win in a court.
Person, you know?
And then him, whatever him do for start over him life and whatever, some man for move. Or some people for move. You understand? Can't make your emotions get the better of you and then you start to stop.
Use the K-I.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Oh, yeah, thanks, right.
Yeah,
Right. Them gun and then got unalive. You know, so the man them out there, up to what day, I see one thing where one man unalive him wife and him two daughters, them thing like that. Them level of weakness there, you know.
A regular something still, you know? A regular.
Yeah.
And I can tell you this, me have first-hand experience of, like, actually, no, me not think, actually seeing the bodies and everything when man find out, say, woman a give born and then he decide for you, we're going to analyze everybody. Analyze girl, analyze 2-year-old, and then analyze himself. First-hand experience, view everything.
You see it first, son.
Yeah, man, I don't want to disclose or anything, but
Yeah,
you're smart enough.
Yeah. No say a word.
Yeah.
Nah, man, them man, them in a rate, them man. And them man, me say it, man for able to take bone and hold it and say, well, you know what?
It is what it is.
It is what it is, you know. My thing is, look how much bone woman get and hold it. Look how much bone woman get and hold it. Woman get some rotted bone and then clot or whatever and hold it and think. Yeah, but if people if them just juggle like me, right, I know them are all right, and then nothing I go bother you and whatever. And if you know, say you know, own no woman front, you're good.
That some man don't understand because they feel like so when them a woman, the woman are for me. No,
Yeah.
you just share a moment together.
Yeah, I my one when me night, you know. When me night, I my one, yeah.
Yeah,
More
when
than
you night, yeah.
when me night, I my one, yeah. For me, I'm one. You tell me say I my one too, yeah. yeah. All right, I know. But things that people, enough of them money I need for those reach. And you know, say when you have that thing there, whatever, some woman will test you, but you know, love me and whatever this and that. But you know, at the end of the day, a woman respect and rate a man who your headspace there, so you know, yeah. And then if she decide she shall go do so with you, she knows she have that safety there. If say, you know, say if some stupid shit go down or some crazy thing go down or if somebody find out something, she just knows say, him not stay so the man and I go do no idiot thing and no fool thing and whatever. So because of that woman now, she more secure. And she knows say is a safe spot for come tell you the truth and say, you know, say boom, bam, 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 bim, bim, bim. Because she knows say you're a level-headed man they will go take charge and say, this is what we are going to do, boom, 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 boom. You know, without being stupid. You understand?
You know, me used to talk to one girl. I mean, literally, me catch a girl with the next man in her. And what me do? Walk away and go and go ball, man.
And go and go ball, all right.
Yeah, I'm go and go ball, man.
And you did, and you bail back from that, right?
Yeah, man, what you talking about,
Okay,
man?
all right.
Me not married, I know have my family and everything now, man.
You did the right thing.
Yeah, me just walk away.
Mm-hmm.
Literally, I go home, I send her one text, and me just block her. And so from
Mm-hmm.
my block her, that's it, Raga.
Mm-hmm.
I don't send nothing more to her.
No, man, you did the right thing, man. You do the right thing, and then at this type of thing, them where some people are gonna look by you know and say, we are clown out the girl, should I kick off her face and
Nah, sir. Nah, sir.
ray.
The consequences after that are greater if me fi do that.
Yeah, yeah.
If me fi beat up a woman or they're unalive or the consequence is greater than if
Thank you.
me if you know just alright, sure, and move on and become a better person.
Then that man I tell you, man, my thing when me always say, can you imagine all me in a prison, and man I say, oh, are you did all out the boy yeah, shake tambourine? Alright. See one tambourine yeah, bend over and shake it, right? No, that not reach me. Me not go no prison for no front. Me not go prison for front. It not happen.
It
It
not
not
worth it,
happen.
man.
It not worth
It
it.
not worth it. And sometimes I wish they have some men where we're stronger in their mind. But then again, with culture sometimes are the problem too, you know, with Jamaican culture because man must be tough, man must be rough, man not a ball. If
Violence,
you
violence,
ball,
violence,
you're weak.
violence.
No,
Yeah.
let me tell you, Raga, I rather ball than figure lift me and lick a woman.
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
And mine, you know, if a woman a punch me in my face, me have a right to
No,
punch her
that's
back.
different. That's
Me not
different.
join
You
that
get me? I
something
say?
there where them a talk about woman for beat man, but man, you must never put your hand on a woman all when she a box it on. Me not join that something
No,
there.
that
If you
different.
don't want to be boxed,
Because
don't box. But me not gonna initiate it. You follow what me I say?
right,
All right
because
then.
that's disrespectful.
Yeah. Yeah. You see
But
it.
if like in terms of like being hurt and them something that no,
Right.
me rather ball man and let it
Right.
out and then just take me time and go over it because but some man still me don't know. If you go to them as a virgin and say, "Why raga," you know, say, "Mama hurt me and me depressed." Oh, warm tear,
And
man,
what
man.
you do? You
No,
go like you pee hole. I want me to you kick off the girl. I want me
no,
to you a gangster man and ray. So, well, me thank God me have male friends. Me have a couple
right,
male friends who intelligent and you know, me know if I make them distinction. Me have friends who you know, me can go to them in a vulnerable state and say, Jano, you know, say such and such reach me. And them not judge me. Them
right,
not put me down. And them not whatever. So I know say it's a safe space. And I say, what you think as a virgin for do yes or no and thing. But I also have other friends who me know me can't go to them with that. Because they don't have the capacity to deal with it.
right,
And interestingly, this is something that women have.
right.
We men in general, we don't have that. We don't have, you know, when certain things go down. But let me change that because I see men are doing better now, you know, to be honest. Yeah. You know, we see men being more, more support each other and less judgmental. But sadly, particularly in our culture, it's the case where a man hear that, you are come to him and tell him what you go through, you know, and then him feel uncomfortable.
Right.
Him feel uncomfortable and feel like him for say something to do with violence and something, you know, like run with the girl or whatever and thing, and you can't even really talk about what you go through. You know what I say? That type of thing, the man. But you put it right. Enough of them don't think about is the consequences.
Right.
You know. Worse if you have other people that depend upon, you know, and thing, and you're gonna make because somebody go use fear front for do what she want do with fear front and your front is fear front. And then you have a claim say you own it or she betray you and all them something there and go do something stupid or whatever. For what? You must man.
No. But me hope.
Hold on. Me see something that go on there, sir. I own him Shanti. They look like somebody named Shanti.
I don't know bad. She just asked one question if it good for date a married man.
Oh, that them I respond and I say Shanti.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna see what she
You say it, man. I'm see it a while now. Is it good to date a married man?
You see? Shanti.
You know, black blouse.
Is it good to date a married man? So what them a say? And what them a respond? Can me see them a say?
Like, man, so really, Chantel, what?
What? Low, Chantel ask her a question and leave the woman alone. Oh, ask a question, Chantel. Is an okay question. So KC say it's very good.
Mixup.
Shaba, which Shaba in there? One Shaba in there? Somebody a big up Shaba. Which Shaba in there? Am I brethren Shaba? Eh? Me not say Shaba. Which? Andrew Perry says Shaba big up. No, I think him think you are Shaba, you know.
Me.
No, because your voice. No, Andrew Perry are a general for a long time, but your voice sound like Shaba, you know. No,
Shaba.
Yeah, no, me have a
get
brethren in London and know me keep it. No, Andrew, I'm not Shaba. I think you are Shaba, man, but your voice sound like my brethren Shaba in England, you know. And thing. Yeah, you seem right. Him say him sound like Shaba.
Yeah, me see.
No, your voice sound like Shaba voice for true, you know. I think. Now say a word, man.
But yeah, man, big up, Raga. I'm just reaching, you know, man.
No, man, but people, you see how start out to beat me and think whatever, I start throw out for them. I hear the general article right now, I think that's a word, man. Big up yourself here, bro. All right?
Then take care.
Balance, man. Cool. Yes, people, I see what they and thing and whatever. Enough thing we go through, you know. So you see when we are deal with certain things and we just say, boy, we don't ever make certain things frightened, we're too tough and whatever. You don't need no explanation, you know, but enough to know that, you know, been there, done that, you know. So you know, so when we're careful with certain things, we don't make certain things reach a level where we start going certain, we have a walk from certain things, is because we've been through enough sitting, but we just reach a point that we're like, young bud no know storm. Go and run off your mouth and say what you want, say. I'm out. You see what I say? One of them thing there. Greetings, hello.
Wagwan.
Yeah, wagwan jumpy. You there on the road?
You can hear it?
Yeah, man, we here in the background, man.
But I'm in the house and then I have to flash out real quick, so. So you're there with hey, Tav, I make you know, you know, stop spamming chat, you know. If Raga no see it, don't do it more than once, brother.
Yeah.
About 10 times you see I talk with the Anushka thing, you know.
Oh.
Yeah, man.
No, I see some of them in there, you know, them will ask a question, and if me not see it, them just keep on and spam the chat with it, yeah.
See it, man. But it's a little story I can't forget, you know. Leo and Leo woman.
But the Leo woman them, Jesus God, them Leo woman them. Tell me Trumpy, yeah.
I'm gonna start it when me in high school, see?
Yeah.
I used to talk to this chick. Virgin, car got it at the house. Father never the home, mother they are foreign. I just me, my father and my sister live them time there.
Yeah.
And everything take off. And B decides, say, yo, she can't bother go through it. Alright. We leave it there. So fast forward, come up, start up me there. Start out, get my ducks. My dad deal with a little bee. She was a Leo. See?
Yeah. Yeah. Leo.
So we did a deal, and when I meet her, I'm 3 years older than her. So when I meet her, she in a high school. Her first year, she got Howard. And time I mean at the game, so I pay for her tuition for Howard her first year. I deal with her. But for some reason, brother, I couldn't give her more than 5 minutes to sort out. I don't know what was the issue. Just wasn't compatible that with it.
Yeah, you 5 minutes and your papa.
5 minutes and pop.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
So anyways, one Christmas come, I go a yard. And I did it. I bought the CMB where But if you take her virginity, I never get a chance to take it. So I see her, you know, we start talk.
No, what you say about virginity?
The baby when I buck from high school. Remember when I started?
Mm-hmm.
She was a virgin then. But she ended up got cast. And the man them a town sort her out differently. So now my buck her, she have experience.
Oh, okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
So my there Jamaican, the full joy myself, I drive, I get, you know, drive, I go up Brandon Hill in a brother and she do the thing, you know. And I press out gas, I go up the hill in a brother, I almost crash, you know.
Yeah.
Lose mind, things so sweet. Alright. Take some picture, because me a man I love picture for a long time. Wrong thing. Take some picture, put it in a suitcase, she full me up and ick it to, you know. Come back up.
Yeah.
Anyway, I come back up. Leo chick a call and I not answer. So she call my mother. Mother there Florida. Mother tell her, say, yeah man, playing land and him there home. She come home, say she come surprise me, but me left, me go to Bronx. Go over and bridging them over there, chill a little bit. Come back in the evening. When I come back in the evening, the whole of my apartment mash up, door tear off, iron broke in a two, iron board broke, plate broke up. I say, yo, somebody come in here, come wrap the place. I say, what go on? So I see her, I say, yo, what happened? She said she don't know she come in and see the place like this.
Who says so? The Leo woman says so, don't?
Yeah.
The Leo woman says she come see the place, so right?
Yeah.
All right, go on, ta.
So I said, no, man, no, so I left it. I said, no call police. And she said, no call no police. And I said, something not right. So I go and look in my suitcase.
The picture of them.
The picture missing. So the picture missing, you know.
Yeah.
It start add up.
Yeah.
Nobody say nothing to her. Come and lay down.
Yeah.
I'm tired, you know.
Yeah.
I sleep and wake up about 2 o'clock. When I wake up, the woman I watch me asleep in a ragga. For me, I fear her eyes make 4, you know.
Hold on. She did do that something there where she just stand up and I look for you?
Just watch me. Just watch me asleep.
Yo, Chumpy, when they do that, you know, I wanna but she just stand up over here watch you asleep, no?
Yeah. I said something right here, so man. So then she started telling me what happened. And mine, you know, she probably about 4'10", you know, short, you know.
Them, the short one, them. I little whingy one, them, man. Them terrible, man.
Be a rich, brother. They say, at the first and last Leo me deal with.
So what she tell you? What she tell you? So she see a picture.
The picture them she see, man.
I mash up everything.
I mash up everything in my apartment.
Trumpet. You call and give her a mix up before, you know, which was the people them did want to unalive you, you know, that mix up there. You know that, right? We don't reach that. So unalive them, they want to unalive me. You get to it. Trumpet, when she did stand up over here and I look on you know, or something she did want to do you in your sleep, you know, Trumpet.
And something wake me up.
Yes, man. When you see them stand up over here, so when you're asleep, man, if you're lucky, man, if you catch them when they stand up over here, so and I look when you contemplate, I stand up. If I never one thing, I soon just watch him, you're all wicked.
Maybe she had second thoughts.
Yeah. I do, she didn't want to do you something, you know, Chumpy.
I tell you.
Yeah, no. But Chumpy, big and serious doing, you know. Me and you different when it come to that picture something they doing, you know.
Well, I love the picture, man. I like God.
You love the picture thing, you know?
Yeah, man, I love the picture, man. I love open up the phone and look and see.
No, hold on. No. What me I say? If me and the person, if we in like that, yeah. Picture have a run. Because me and you juggle, so you know picture thing. But it sound to me like Miss Lady there was like I never a woman like that. She just didn't do a thing, though.
Oh, the one at Jamaica?
Yeah.
You remember I said me like her from high school and me and her used to talk. But me
Yeah,
never get to
but
take the virginity.
no, but what me I say is
So,
based on them move, the anything, the best thing is just don't take no picture when you're on them something there. All when the woman them are when I do no picture thing, right? Anything say the best move there.
well, you know what I do when I go down there, I promise her, I say, boy, I come marry her and bring her up.
Well, and that you did tell her. Eh? Chumpy a drive people, so sometimes I go in some area where.
Mommy and everything.
Well, and that you did tell her, no? Eh? Chumpy.
Yeah, well, that me tell
Chumpy,
her.
you're wicked, you know, you're one of them. Yeah. Chumpy, you're one of them, just you tell them anything, forget the front door. Back in them days, you know?
Yo, anything, brother. Yo, how much time you tell life to get front? How much time you tell life to get front?
Oh, man.
All right. You don't even have to count. You lose track of it.
No, back in the day. What crazy life you get from, man.
right.
What do you, man? One bag of lie and all kind of shit that thing. It's all about getting that something there. But them did lie too. The woman them did lie too.
Of course, they lie.
Yeah.
I get one front one time, you know. I get upset. I ask God why me go over there go lie to the woman to get some. I want a worse front, brother. You ever get one of them?
Yeah.
Upset with yourself.
And you waste your lie, don't
Yeah, you
I did. Yeah, I said, John, what this? She did a stubborn up a thing with the whole time. I like a disappointment. No, you go now, man. You go through them, man. You go through them, like that. Where you're like, yeah, it never worth it at all. Then I saw some man end up grab back them things. I mean, I think them should have do. But I know several situations where man say, John, when you know so this never good, you start out never good, and some of them say some even worse things. You know what I talk about? I said, give me back this man. And this year man go through one bag of stress for and whatever. And this year I never good and what, you know. You have some gangster man do them something, man, and get upset.
And enough of them love eye puppet thing, you know. And no say no good. And tell you all kind of lie.
Oh, the woman,
you know what I
woman them?
Yeah. Hey, when you talk to them in the beginning, them eye puppet thing and tell you how them good and man go crazy over a thing. And make you there, you know, you kill yourself. First thing I want to see, you know, I something spread out on my phone, you know, spread eagle. And then you get crazy.
Me no steer something.
No? You know I say nothing?
No. What me I say is, me I go disagree with it, they say do you know trumpet.
Yeah?
When it come to that something there, I mostly man tell lie. But what it going be?
Woman lie, man. Woman lie upon the thing.
Nah, man. Woman hardly lie upon them something there. You know feel so?
Yeah. I've been through a few of them where lie upon it, tell you how them good and, you know, them love it. Trust me.
Well on there. What is a brother with a Max? Jesus God, me for black him. One look a free coming in place. Yeah. Are you near Max and look where him show? Alright, black. Alright, people, Max get black. And Max come over here feature something. Yeah. Max I go through him thing, man. Alright, well black Max people. Max get a black. I go say him get a fat black, but it don't even sound too good. Give away Max. Yeah, it don't sound good. Give away Max I go on with. We not get nothing. We not get Max nothing fat. No, when I say Chumpy, I go disagree with you this. So. Yeah, Chumpy I drive, so him get Chumpy.
Yeah, me there, man.
I go disagree with you this because I find some woman will say some things when I go so yet, but but between woman and man, a man are the biggest dirty liar when it comes to what them can't do and what them are going to do and this and that. Put it another way. I think women experience way more disappointment with men after them did a big chat as opposed to man I experience disappointment with woman.
Well, that could be
In terms of the woman, I'm a brag and a chat and I say this and that and whatever, you know? Mark, you know, you will do a thing with that woman and it just like, it flop. Like, nothing go on this. But when I say, it's unlikely say she did a brag, you know? You may have 1 and 2 situation. But woman go through enough thing with man a chat and I tell, be a liar and one bag of hype until the woman say, you know, say, all right, him get me curious and know, I go run it upon him. Big disappointment for the woman them. Cause the man them ever tell one bag of dirty lie about what them can do and them something, you know.
well, that's true. And the woman them do the same because most of the time, you know, you have some of them in love for just lay down like log. Just lay the dead
No, but what me I say is, but them never. Well, yeah, but did I brag before?
Yes.
Well,
But when things reach them, man, then change.
all right, but then the other thing doing a trumpet too is that sometimes a woman give you a flap sort out, you know.
Yeah.
But that she did want give you.
It's a plan for you.
Yeah, enough man don't know that. Enough man get a flap sort out and think say, I saw the woman say, but you know say, as a flap sort out, she did want give you.
That not good.
What?
When them flap out the thing, why them all flap?
No, woman know why. That's what you mean. Woman know why she want to give a flap sort out. You have different reasons why a woman know. If a woman a rate you know, and you need a ear and a dear, and she know, you know, so I'm nice to me and whatever, and all them something, then him a bother me, and he want look a piece, yeah, man, but whatever. But she don't want to give you nothing if you're too excited about her, whatever, and if you feel like so she totally into it or she like you like that. She just give you one look sorry for something, you know? No, but you know, sometimes man not understand them thing there is that you get a flap sort up because she not rate you.
That's true.
Yeah, you understand. See you man, right there, so true. Yes, Raga, yeah.
But why do that?
For example, so somebody say worse when you're not sexually attracted to the person.
But don't give them, if you're not sexually attracted to the person, don't give them none. Why is that in the first place?
That's easily said, right? But say you're a nice guy. Say you're a nice guy, right?
Yeah.
And you're being really nice to her, you know? And she don't want to do it, you know, she want, but you did that pressure. And sometimes woman just reach a point where I think carry them and make nice in their phone, yeah? So sometimes woman just reach a point where them think about it long too, you know, them don't want to do it, you know, but it's just for you and it reach a point, you know, you're a nice guy and you deserve it, you know, you deserve a look of something, you know, but she not really attracted to you. It's like, you know, she sometimes a woman want to like a man, you know. Then they meet a man who just really nice to them and just everything just perfect, but when him touch her body just don't even like. But she knows he's a nice man and him good to her and him kind to her and him loyal and him devoted, but she just can't hide it, so she not feel the attraction to him for different reasons. But yeah, but she and him a juggle and him go, I'm going to just give him and done, yeah, man. Just give him and done. And, you know, when that happen, it's a flap sort out you get because all she do, I welcome you in the living room and all right, you don't know, come on, go on. Okay.
And that's when the cheating starts.
Not really cheating too, you know. I want, Chumpy, you'd be surprised. You have a lot of women out there now in relationship where them nah born them man. And them will tell you, say, no, it's a good man, you know. It's a good man. I'm not gonna lie, it's a good man. But me not enjoy that something there with him. But me not go there go burn him either. Because he's a good man. He's a good father. He's a good this, a good that, a good provider. But it just not dead. So I just make him do him thing, and and it done, and whatever. I mean, I tell you, I mean, the woman them looking at the chat.
We know.
Yeah, man. I got the woman them talk to, I'm
We
in
sit
love
down
learn. Yeah.
and talk to a lot
Yeah.
of female friends. You know the story. You hear them talk about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So in those instances, a thing flop, but you have woman in a them position, they think flop, and them not about the man. Them not go cheat. And them not even no desire for go cheat. Them rather go use, some will use them little toys and thing and whatever. Yeah, some do cheat, but me I tell you, say you have woman who not cheat. And them not have no desire for cheat too. Them just hold it and satisfied with what them have,
Oh, well,
But the thing no good. The dugu no good.
that's it.
Yeah.
And everybody all good.
Yeah. Hey, you know much woman out there work with man and thing. 1 minute, 2 minutes in papa. And they say they saw him there. Them good. And them just work with it.
They have to understand.
Yeah. It happens, enough man not gonna admit it and whatever. Them go come out and go and bravado and whatever. But a woman are put up with a lot more inadequacies and limitations and deficiencies from men than man are put up from what a piece of bouquet I will send her one day. Yeah, you see.
One day when we go sub live,
Yeah.
I'm gonna give one of the wickedest bun me ever get in my life.
All right, no, you have to give it Friday.
No, we can't, yeah. Well,
Friday. Friday, yeah?
We get 2 bun, when we know about.
Yeah.
And 2 of them are when we did married. But that have a sub.
All right, Friday is a full sub live show. Friday,
Right.
Big show. And thing, big up yourself, Chumpy.
Yeah, man.
And people, I want to remind you, say regular mix-up can talk in a sub live too. It don't have to be.
I take it down.
Yeah, I take it.
Yeah.
It don't have to be, dagga related. Regular mix-up can go on in the sub live them. All right. It's just that in the sub live, you get more exclusive and you can talk free. And yes, like this Friday, I have some sitting for share with it. The sub live, you got nice this Friday. I tell you from now. I have the clips them ready up. And we're going to take calls in the sub live. The last one, we just mostly play back the thing them. But yeah, man, out of other settings and things. So this Friday, all who not subscribe yet, it's premium content. It have a structure that we edit to. So, we look forward to that and thing. Yeah, regarding the bragging thing, and then end up not perform anywhere near how much you did a brag. In my experience, first of all, I find that women don't have to brag because they're the ones who are usually being pursued. Right? So, the reason for bragging is usually not there with women. So women don't have to brag because remember, I don't enough time when women want it and thing, them not tell the man say them want it, because it's a society still. I mean, you have a different set of women out there now, like me I explain to no idea. Yeah, you have a whole different set of women out there now. It's like them just get liberated and them just step up to you and and say, what's some more I want to offer you? And nobody now for know and whatever. I just want a common thing that no people I tell you. Yeah. And me know brethren too and whatever who go through that. I say, the woman them change, Right? So a common thing that, woman say, something like you. One carry go so and so. Right? You have woman who just come up to you and say, me something like you. One carry go so and so. Right? You have woman who just come up to you and say, Man, you can't go hotel one day and you know what's up, right? But Bullpuss, big up yourself, you know, me see you know. All right, Pete. I want to publicly thank you for your contribution to Island Peeps. Big up yourself, you know, Derek. Me see it. Derek says, I want to publicly thank you for your contribution for the Elevate and Celebrate event with EYL. Earn your leisure. Big up yourself, Derek, and thing, all right? Chumpy and said, people, my 5 minutes only happened with that one lady. He said, Chumpy, them a beat you and I call you 5 minute man, don't. Hey, Chumpy, them a batter you, don't.
Yeah.
Hello? Yes, hello?
What go on?
Rummy, and what you say?
Me debut, man. Me debut, you know.
It sound like you're there on the work, man.
Yeah, man. Me know some of there. I Tennessee, me there right now. Fear South Carolina and a little bit.
Tennessee, and you're lying up South Carolina, right?
Yeah, man.
Well, you don't know it's a trucking life and thing. You ever get tired of it?
Yes,
You ever get tired of it?
No, you know.
No.
It's a peace of mind, though. You don't really get tired of it, you know.
Okay.
Yeah, for me, it's a peace of mind, you know. Say, I mean, I feel the whole lot of people, you understand?
Oh, you mean when you're in your truck, you're just in your own world?
Yeah.
Okay,
yeah,
me see what you say. You know, if you deal with nobody arms house or nothing done.
Right.
Right.
I'm ready to take off with the family. I have your car no bars and request no day off and all of them things there, you know?
See it there.
Yeah.
And it's funny you say that, you know, but you know, that is why I would have loved to do this full time.
Yeah.
Because I enjoy this. I just enjoy it, you know. But it gives me a certain amount of latitude also to do. Because my life, I have to go yes. You see, when you have a job and you have to answer to somebody, you don't have that flexibility there. You see what I say?
Right.
Yeah, so, you know, that's why I would just love to do this alone, you know. Somebody has said, but somebody posting in the chat said trucking is a lonely life. What is your response to that?
It depends on the kind of trucking we do, because you have different variation of trucking. You have local, regional, you have over the road. You know, so it depends on what you choose to do and the opportunity where you get. Because right now, me the home like every weekend, and depends on how me I run me the home like probably 2 or 3 times in the week, and then I'm still the home on the weekend. Understand?
Seeing.
You have some people now, they work in the company, so them give them a set time, like you have to be on the road for 3 weeks or 4 weeks, and they won't be a week.
Right.
You have some people, them not a family, so then they won't until Christmas.
Right.
That's the kind of option that you choose. Like
You see.
me leave my house like yesterday. And I'm going to get a load and go home today, and I never get a load, and then I go to South Carolina and then they won't by Friday. Understand?
No, but you see, in response to that though, when me there with more than 1,000 people and stuff, right? But she said trucking is a lonely thing. She probably need to understand. Some people like to be lonely.
Yeah.
Not lonely, but some people like to be alone.
Right.
Right. Yeah, man. When me there, I'm alone there, and I like being alone. You know, I get a lot accomplished when I'm alone, and I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, some people are very comfortable with themselves, you know. And you know, Kalia says she don't like it and thing, but I know some people only get lonely easy, but I want you to know there are people out there who love being alone, and they're very comfortable with themselves, and that's cool, you know.
Yeah, man. See? I mean, one of them people will not get lonely, you know, because when I sing like that Jamaican, man, I don't think by myself, you know. I'm going to beach, I'm alone, you know.
Are you alone? Well, some people, and it's particularly difficult for women who society condition them to say if them a do something alone, then something wrong with them and this and that and whatever. But I love going to the movie by myself. I love doing things alone. I go to some event and I just itch up in a local corner and I observe and I learn and all them things. They me that, and things same. But we're going differently.
Well, I'm just there going to take it easy. I'm with them people have load me up. Probably them give me some water or something for South Carolina here,
All right, now say a word, man, and things. So, yearlings, you don't know safety and protection. You see it, all right?
Yeah, man, and blessings, man, and yell up the ANC ladies, them, they're still in that chat, they are yell up,
Yeah, yell up the ANC ladies, and that you just said a while ago?
Yes, man, I yell them, man. I shout me up, so I shout them up too,
Oh, yeah, shout them up because the ANC ladies, them are yell you. But you don't have nothing against, you don't have anything against the SDC ladies. It's not like you yell up the ANC.
No.
Okay, because you know, say a war did have a go on a while, like, whatever, this and that. Okay. No, because I think you're brighter, yell up the ANC ladies, them specially. And then you not yell up the SDC woman, then can fling me that fling out for the thing a while ago and make you
No, man, I yell everybody, man, but
okay.
Everybody has showed me up on Tash and CVS and
all right.
Everybody,
But you be careful when the ANC, you know when the ANC ladies them are ill, feel them a feel you out, and that could be like a look meandering to compromise you, right? They're very good at that, so me want be careful, okay?
Yeah, man, because I know so them got proper ANC, so I know them continue.
Yeah, all right then, cool. You see what I'm doing, Jimmy? Jimmy is lost now, Jimmy is lost. Jimmy is out in the wilderness, right? And things like that. So them get to Jimmy. Don't make them get to you. Stand up strong, my brother. Stand up.
Man, they not get to me, man, but I give them respect,
All right, give them respect, man. All right, my brother. Safety out there, okay?
Yeah, man, I'm blessed up everybody, man.
All right, man. Cool. Yes, people, as me did I say before, we take a break and thing and whatever, and you see it do it thing. Hold on, let me see that something here because we don't have long here anyway, so. What is something there again? How many see it? I eat this? Okay. One hand. Oh. All right. Let me see my car. Wait there. This can't use again. Yes. People, your boy just used the flare. Hello. Romian, it's certified as a Romian. If you're single, I have a girl for you. You seem nice. Romian, they might give you somebody, I'm going to leave you for respond to that, though. Here, sir. You will respond to that. All right? You see it there, Romian said, no, not single, sorry. So, in general, yeah, but since him say, me not say them thing there for people, but him say it, yeah, man, him say it. So, man, have him, and have a nice lady and thing, and family and thing, and good youth, So, We know things, but me just me want him to say it, me and me to say it. So when me did I say people before the break, yeah, me just want to reiterate the point that I don't know what Chumpy go through, where him go through, but me I say like what it? Oh, what I do? What happened? People TikTok it. You know I go with TikTok already, and yeah, fair. Sorry, the people. Let's give me 1 second. TikTok does have 10 million sitting wait to tell you for doing it. You have to just ignore them sometime, And yeah, you kind of get distracted, All right. Yeah, so what I say, Chumpy go through, him go through, but me just I say, I don't know. Me no find say woman brag and then pop down. Me no experience that a lot, And most women, them not really have to brag. Because, in terms of, boom, boom, boom. You do have a small percentage, like, who they're very forthright, And if them like you, them like you. And them will just tell you what they want to do. So it's a small percentage, you. Most women, if they like you, them just send you a signal. Them not gonna send nothing to you. Them not gonna come at you and whatever. Them just send you a signal and I just you for know, say, based on the signal them will send, say, she pray you, she like you. So once that's a go on, you don't even reach a point about bragging. In a small percentage, and even the small percentage who will step to you. The ones that who do, them just kind of make you know, say, yo, I want you, and boom, boom, boom. But most of them women there who will step to you, who bold enough to step to you, and will make you know, say, them want to shell you out or whatever. Most of them women there, if you start going a certain way, them done you. Them not gonna brag for not get you, them done you. Right? Them were done here like, if a woman will come to you and say, boom, bam, 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 and if you go on or whatever, I'm say, boy from you, so you're going like, say, I'm going to style you and things, so don't get it twisted too. So it's a different, I don't know, it's a different, from, I can't even recall a woman a brag about something and pop down. Yeah, woman pop down, but them never did brag before. When Chumpy him go through it, Chumpy him go through it, so him go through, all right. All right, my question could juggle back and thing, Yo.
Blessed love, brother.
Greetings, where going, Papa? One cooker.
Blessed love.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I go on, brother. I think good.
Yeah, you have a whole heap of nice in my phone, yeah?
Right now?
Well, not now. Maybe just hear some nice that come over, yeah?
This is just now, a phone call coming just now.
All right, then.
Brother, I met someone once, a female. Her bragging was that her boyfriend could not keep up with her. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
That was the bragging she had.
Right.
And then when me approached the situation, she literally run out her own apartment and didn't come back home. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
I had to put on my clothes and slowly screech out and walk and go, yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, bragging, they wouldn't brag about sex that often. But
Hold on. She run out her own apartment and never come back.
Never, well, while I was there, waiting for her, I think about she gone. She gone to the door.
And why did she run out of her own apartment?
I guess she couldn't handle the pressure, rather, okay? The same woman who was telling me that her boyfriend could not handle her.
So
Okay?
then when you put it on panache, she said she go bathroom and she cut.
She cut, I swear to you, she cut.
And I said nothing to you?
Not her. Just step out of the room and she go into the bathroom and me there wait, half an hour. Check the bathroom, she not in there, check the place, she gone. Gone.
But what led you to conclude that it's because of the pressure where you did put on panache and run from out of our own apartment? What led you to conclude?
Her crying and bawling and all of the pressure that she was under, Raga, trust me, I know that was the situation. I'm convinced that was it, okay?
She did a beg you to stop her or something?
Well, she a ball, but she don't want, yes, some woman Raga, who not gonna tell her to stop. Because maybe she was all bragging up, oh, she bad and she bad. She can't say stop now, you know what I'm saying?
Well, I do know of situation where women, present themselves as body reggae, and then when them get it and thing and whatever, they were in for quite a surprise.
A rude awakening.
Yeah, rude awakening. And yeah, it's a woman go through that and thing. Woman go through that and whatever, and particularly with size or with stamina. With stamina, like, don't know, you can't, don't know, yes, type of thing, whatever, and them can't, and run out of, not to mention the classic with them. As soon, you have a set of them, as soon as they go up on top, 2 twos and come down, then tired quick. Right? And tired quick. Like 80%, you have another percentage out there, then we stay up there, and a murder, them all go flat foot, flat foot different from if them dip on them knee. A murder when you get all one of them will go flat foot and thing, dog name your supper, because say them they know I take her. But most of them are that woman, them man, then go up on top and whatever, man. You give them that, you're lucky you get all 2 minutes up there, then come back right down. Yeah. So
bragging of woman is about them good pokey, okay?
Yeah.
That they will brag about everybody. I think the woman with the biggest and the deepest one would tell you straightforward, say, oh, she has the best one, okay? They do brag about that. 100%. You know what I'm saying? When I diss nobody, when I diss woman, okay? But
me no know. Me hear woman, but most women are not brag. Them will tell you something, but I not brag. Well, no, you're right. You have some woman who say, you can't manage me. Ray, you can't manage me because this Ray. No, you're okay. I guess.
Most of these women, Raga, we as men, me can talk for myself.
Yeah.
I've never ever looked at a woman after sex and say, why, girl, it not good. Me never do it yet. I went not good. I went terrible, Raga, it not good. I'm not gonna say it to you. I'm gonna tell you some story. Oh, if I haven't heard it in a long time, but back then, woman is asked, how was it? You know what I'm saying? And Raga, I'm gonna give you the best story possible. Yes. Kara wicked, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. I want to commend you for that because I don't think you should,
Exactly.
Even if it's not good, nobody goes to go be harsh and rude and mean, I mean, you probably don't want to tell her a lie either, but you want to fix it up, but
yes. When you want back is still tell her something good, you know what I'm saying? So, and with every woman and every single man, every sexual experience is differ from the other.
That's
Everybody.
true. That's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes.
So, the lady come across, oh, this did good, and she a madman and she a madman. That's her story.
What you don't believe her? You don't believe her?
Raga, She said, more than likely, my conclusion, my mad head, basically, because I like to think things out of context. She attracts mad people, okay? She attracts mad people.
So you just
Okay,
think,
and
you just think, say, and have nothing to do with our this one. It have nothing to do with this, the exceptional.
No,
You just think, say,
no, Raga.
are just mad people she attract, don't?
She attract mad people. And that's my conclusion. I mean, I'll go further in that.
She just attract man who not used to good front. So when they get it, them just yeah. So some baby head man she deal with and that yes.
I'm gonna get a small scenario. I'm a person, more in the long distance running than a short distance running. Okay,
all right.
Okay?
All right.
And I met this girl a couple of years. I come New York and met this girl here. I forgot her name. And first time I go to woman go pan power Raga and Ray. Within 5 minutes, boom, I was there, Raga. You know what I'm saying? I'm on support team once. I want to go on this girl here. But Raga, she had a unique technique with her, a sound that she make, Raga. It was a small crying sound with a ball in behind it with Raga, a mix up nice she make as you enter such a start do it.
No, cooker. You can't tell all of that and kind of give us some idea what the sound. You cannot tell us all of that without giving us some indication of what the sound is like. Come on, make we hear.
It is expressive, okay? She curse out actually the FR and with one whole but things behind it non-stop, Raga.
No, but the sound. No, I know that something the FB in my wall, I hear one dig it out, ram it out. You know, you have some woman.
Raga, I can't recall the song, but whatever she did, it make you arrive very quick.
The sound?
And
the sound?
Raga, she talk to you and I do some talk, or verbally she get in your mind, but verbally she get in your head.
But what is exceptional about that? That not regular something?
Raga, I'm saying to you, Raga, with what she was saying and doing, it get to me. It was specific to me.
But you're aware though that some women good like that. Them said it something them when them a whine it up on you and them all hold it in and whisper something in your ears or them. But yeah, you have some women just good like that.
Several times, but hers was unique.
No, but that may try if it like what work for one did unique, you know. But
why Raga? Raga, I don't know. So, I don't know. I don't exactly can put it together. But
all right, okay, moving right
on. Well,
on.
we do it, Raga. We raising. Luckily, she was freaky enough. On the fourth time, Raga, I use her underwear to tie her mouth. Okay. So our shadow is just And that Raga, I could have do my thing as go the distance that I wanted to go, okay? Because she never say, when she say, that was mentally triggering me off.
Oh, no, some woman know if it talk dirty when them are doing things. Some woman bad panda something there, you know.
I tell you.
And I want to tell you, you know what is funny? They say the one them are really bad panda. The one them are really bad, them not shout, you know.
It's no nice. Nobody
no man, the one them are really bad panic was said it's something them will turn down. When them are doing it not and them not shout, you know, whatever say something, you know. Me can't say in our sub life may I say it, but not here, you know. But them don't, the one them are really good at it, they don't shout, you know. And you have some things that them for shout and that turn on, man, and whatever. And not really the shouting, man, and the one them will just calmly say something, look at something. Sorry, I can't I'm like this. I hear
sexually, and I agree with that one.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? But back to the Leo thing now, Laga. I had my story now. Back to my story time now, okay?
Yes, man.
I had a Leo woman.
And yes, you had a Leo woman. I'm glad I do not talk up the things about the Leo woman, because some people think I lie. Me I tell and me alone dead and thing. So I'm glad so we're having all these men coming out now and talking about these Leo women and thing. Talk
All
about
right.
them here, yeah.
So, yeah, me say no. So I had this Leo woman that me live with. Me was my girlfriend. Very calm, collected girl. Working class girl. Me not good. Nice girl. We go party here and there. And, you know, she nice.
Yeah.
Me bad the same way. Cause I guess, I don't know what was wrong with me. I think me had a problem. But anyway, one Memorial weekend in New York here, I met a little catty about 2 months before Memorial weekend. And, you know, she become the flavor of the month, you know what I'm saying? So, me and Flavor now do a little thing out the road while wife in the road, the home. So, Memorial weekend coming now, you know, so Memorial weekend is now, you know, so Florida, Miami are the thing, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Best of the best weekend, all white, the boat ride, everything, everybody want to go down there, so. So, I wanted to take Flavor. As you know, Flavor do it now. So, I wonder how the hell me can go now. So, I'm home one day, my dad called from Jamaica, and he had an issue with some banking account, and me and him have some issue with it, where my name was not properly on the account.
Right.
So he was calling me and telling me they want to fix it. So I said, okay, so I'm on the phone talking. So the phone hang up with my father, and I'm still sitting in the chair talking to nobody. I said, okay, so waiting if I come this Thursday night, Friday morning, I can do it Friday and come back this weekend. So I'm not talking to nobody. I'm just talking to myself loud so that no one can hear. Say,
Right.
I got Jamaica. See?
All right.
Cool. It worked. She bites.
All right.
My planning to go to the T-Rag. My virgin that was in Jamaica the same week is coming back on Wednesday. I tell him, say, brother, when you reach airport, buy a box around for me, the one of the little angle brown boxes when they tape up at the airport.
Yeah.
Buy one of that for me.
Yeah.
Okay? And keep
Yeah.
in your car, because you are pick me up Monday morning at the airport.
Right. And you're going to come in with a rum there, so you bring that
Rum
from
there,
Jamaica. All right.
Yes. So I'm going to boom now, Raga, on the Thursday evening now. Mother Virgin can go airport. Boom, fly go Miami. Pick up, meet home girl at the hotel. And Raga, we party like a rock star. Whole weekend. Nice, everything. Fly back into New York Monday morning, bright and early, 6:30 a.m. reach New York. Virgin with the white one, pick me up. Give me the white one, carry me home. Reach home, pull the door, go inside. Home girl, just wake up now. About to get ready to go to work. She gonna shower, go in the behind her and yeah, I want sorry for sort out. Not like to because I mash up Raga. I mash up.
Right.
Flavor mash me up, you know what I'm saying?
So you do one of the bath shower sort out them, man.
Yeah,
But I want to look too smart.
Yeah, you know, makes you happy, you know what I'm saying? And Raga, the woman, give me sort out everything and everything nice and the beard and she put on her clothes. We go work and everything ready, everything good to go. I'm laying on the bed now and she come in, you know, fix up her last year, everything, take up her handbag and everything. And Raga, the woman's got it just a jar. Open it and just take out something and throw up on me, my chest. And I said, oh, you forgot your passport.
Well, on. So you go through this whole elaborate conversation you gone to Jamaica though. I set up everything with your friend and everything for you come back with rum where you never really go and come back with though. One bag of something and all them thing and this and that and whatever your brethren bring up the rum, buy it duty free, you come now, you sure. So make sure I come back from Jamaica for choose the rum and everything and whatever. And she just not while you the whole time. Well on, so she grind for you that weekend though. You know that though.
I
Yeah.
will believe you. I will believe that.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. She take a man. She take
was
a man
too
with the,
calm.
yeah, man. She did too calm, though.
Too
Yeah,
calm,
man.
brother.
Yeah, man. Nah, man. That weekend that she did, when you down there, and she knows that you never gone to Jamaica the whole time, and with your elaborate car, and you come back with your rum, your duty-free rum. And my girl, she don't even while. She just say, oh, well, she give the salt out in the bathroom. Oh, you want salt out? Come take it, man, go on. And you say, worse, you say, I want to look a fenke piece of salt out, and sorry for salt out, you can give her when you come back. No, in the bathroom. You see, well, you see, and when you do that salt, you say, yes, man, you just reel out everything over the weekend, and you come give me the what left and thing. And you notice that she never moved to your desk or nothing. She make you do what you do, you know. And when you're done, by the way, you forget your passport, see it about your travel, see your passport, yeah, and whatever. Yo, she grind pan you that weekend, you know, me I tell you, you know.
I didn't have no words, none at all.
No, man, when that happening, you know, you just quiet, no say nothing, no say, you can't say nothing. So what you do?
You reach from 5 to work, I mean, it's 5:15, you go to the door, because me no one there.
Ja, no.
No one in the house.
Ja, no. Hey, I want them to move that just shut you up, you know, man. You know? You see, after that, you see her engaging in some indiscretions that you can't even say nothing to her, you know. She'll tell you about your parts and you're just like... That bad. Winter say, boy, you plan to the T. Goods now while the whole time. You probably get 2 calls when you did out on the road, no?
What? I got a call, man.
Yeah.
A phone call, man.
Yeah. And she must say... She said, why you there now? I'm going to hear you. Yeah, I'm there, but watch you now, you know. But go to... That man, she said, oh, yeah. Watch you there. Yeah, man, go down that white name there. They have some nice seafood down there. So if you check out that here, she now while you one bit.
My father going to Dallas for lunch, you know?
Yeah, you tell that, yeah, your father gonna jollies for lunch, no?
Dallas for lunch.
Yeah, man, we know say you're jolly. Yeah, have one woman over there jolly with the lolly. And different thing that you see it. Goods now, while man.
No, it is what it is, Raga, you know, as a street youth, you've been there and done it, and man to say, yo, sometimes you look back and it's not funny sometimes, Raga. It's never funny, but you have to laugh sometimes, Raga. So,
Yeah.
because
those were the days.
Then I end up break up, and as a little woman say, them crazy. Me there one night, and I hear the doorbell ring. Me alone there, open the door. Me know she open door, and when she come up the stairs and open the door, and I look to the people and she having a black hoodie over her head, and it puzzled me why she having a black hoodie. By the time I open the door, the woman have a big kitchen knife in her hand. I come at me. Okay? That's the woman.
For what? She?
Well, there's several other things after me left, you know, and she just come back to the house one night. They shall come kill me.
wait, after you and I left?
Yeah, we left. We left. She called me and cussed out Trace, and she cussed and chased me and chased me. And one night she just called me. Oh, not true. She left party one night, half drunk, and come my door, come knock on my door. I'm going to answer, because she always do that. Sometimes let her in, sometimes not let her in. You know what I'm saying? That night, I didn't let her in, because somebody was inside here already. So I could let her in the night there. And by the next night, she come back again the next night, I was sober. This said she'll kill me, because she said, I guess she assumed that somebody was inside here, that's why I never let her in. You know what I'm saying? Because when a woman check for you, when she go out and get tipsy, she tend to find the person that she love house to come beat them door or call them phone or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Yeah,
no, some of them do that.
She has to do that, you know what I'm saying? So the night she came and I didn't answer, and she beat on the door and cuss and trace, and she left. The next night she come now and me say, okay, let her in now. Backside rather the woman have a big knife, pop up a big knife and come at me. I could grab her and same time and twist it up and bend her up and all kind of things rather. Fight out the knife out her and rather and throw her back to the door. And she called police for me the night.
She rush her with a knife and then end up a call police by you. So You see on them wicked. But you have a next thing what woman do, you know, them you and them will left, you know. And them will just dead there think back some things and whatever, and the things them a pile up in them head. And them will just dead there think back some things and just like it can work either way, it can work good or bad, you know. But you know, them time when you know women with this thing about closure, you know, this what was that? This closure thing for woman, you know, is boy, I may tell you, them need to do something about that, you know.
But brother, what is closure? I mean, me not quite understand closure for some. Everybody have a different kind of closure. And this is the thing about relationship. There is much billion people on earth right now, and everybody have a different way of closing things.
All right. Closure for women could mean one of two things or both, right? The one is like, for whatever reason, some women they need both people to be on some sort of a same page or an agreement regarding the separation, right? But the bigger thing for them is the whys. Them always have them want answers to some question. Right? So usually when them do something bad, or usually them know say you're nice or whatever, you have some of them were like, you know, it's like them want the thing end with your blessing and thing or whatever. That are the small part. The bigger part for them with closure is when them have questions. But what they don't realize with those things is that the answer to one question very often yield 10 more questions. That you know, so them not really understand that. And two, them just get caught up with this need to know thing. Them just want to know. Them want to know why this happening. Them want some answer for so and so. So them not want you again, but we just need to understand why this happening, why you do so and this and that and whatever. And women can get hung up on that, you know, like, why would you do this? Why did this happen? Why did I get over this? Or what did this happen? What am I do wrong? What me to do wrong? What make you know, them get caught up in this why thing, why, you know, like some men are like that too, but a man will more likely say, and give a F yeah, man, and keep it moving. You see, man? One woman will just call and say, I just need closure, please. I just need closure. Can we just talk?
And rather, I have had this closure argument with few women who end up that we sleep together at the same time. You know what I'm saying?
No, you have to be careful with that, you know.
You know what I'm saying?
Because some woman smart with you with that, you know.
Get close.
No, them come for closure and then something open. Yeah. No, but some. Now, let me be fair. From what I know, there's some women who them did really come for closure, but in the confusion at the moment, and cause very often when a woman want closure, you know, she have unresolved feelings. So something still there, right? But some women who end up do it, them really in the intent for them to come for closure, and in the confusion at the moment, them end up, you know. But some do it under psychs too. I just want closure. Closure. But they miss the man, you know. They miss the man. I want to go. Yeah, I want to go over there and think I'm running by you, you know. Yeah, but you have to, you know how much woman breed under closure argument?
Closure, yes. Last sex.
Yeah, last sex. Yo, that last sex breed something there. I don't know nothing normal, you know. Just one last time. Right? One last time I breathe.
Tell you, call us, say, yo, my confident, I come get the last sex. I'm saying the last F, you know what I'm saying?
Yo, you see if you're a woman break up, and you see she call you and say something like, hello? Yeah. I left my Daniel Steele book over there, you know. You left your what? My Daniel Steele book. Which Daniel Steele book? But Daniel Steele book, I left it over there. I left it up on the second shelf of the closet. I need to come for it. You know what, I'm gonna bring it to you. No, I need it now. You see, once you hear them talk there, once you hear them, it's one out of two thing. She either want come over there for run it by you or she want to stab you. Anything you hear them about some little foolishness, like some book I'm slippers, more I'm slippers or whatever, but them have to come over, Always have to come over. You be careful. You either go get look chun chun or you go get a stab or a chop in your head, here. Remember me tell you, you're not coming over back or whatever. Me bring the book come give.
So big up to all of the good pum pum girl them.
Yeah.
Bad and
no,
but
but you see, you said the woman, it's like you're bad mind the woman because she said her words, she have a good pum pum problem.
Okay, and I
so hold on. You don't believe say you have woman out there with good pum pum problems?
Of course. I've seen and dealt with a lot of them.
Yeah.
But at the same time, women with good pum pum raga tend to have 10,000 problems.
Them are the psycho one, them, don't?
Yes. 10,000
ladies, you hear the man come out and I say,
but you're afraid of them.
no man, the woman them, not all obviously, but I just find it interesting, like the woman them would like that sample sort out. They like you can't in a relationship with them. You can't in a relationship. No. It's like the woman them with them head chip, at them, when them put it on you, it's almost like them pum pum mad too.
Exactly.
Like the pum pum mad too. The pum like the pum pum mad too, man. Whatever them. All of the women them we go put them. Every woman, well not every, but most women who have sample sort out, them have a temper problem.
There you go.
Yeah, yes, we could put it that way. A lot of these women who have like real good sort out, them have a temper problem. When them get angry and mad, them just lose it,
But the madness is just different from regular madness, rather. Another woman madness. I'm saying it's different. It's different.
Yeah, and it's not worth it, man. Trust me. No. Hold on. Let me tell you something, man. I made it think of me alone stay, but all of my brethren, them in you see that thing that women are go through right now, where it's all about them peace and them no want them crazy man and what. Man, I go through it too,
There you go. You go both ways.
I find it interesting to hear men mostly late 40s, 50s, early 60s and so, them, 40s, 50s, 60s. You have some man right now, them have a discipline about this thing, man no weak to the thing again like before, woman I get mad and whatever, man just said, you have some man nowadays, you gotta go. You gotta go. You gotta go.
It comes with age and knowledge and understanding.
Well, yeah.
And you get stronger each day. Because they want to teach you how to deal with them.
Well, yeah. Now, let me tell you something right now, man. You see a woman who can facilitate my peace and comfort and thing, that way more important than if she have the best sort out in her world,
That is it, Raka. That is it. I've walked away from so many women right nowadays. It's not funny. Just to be in my happiness and my peaceful place.
And here we go on, You see, my friend them who accomplished and successful and them have them investments sit down pan and and them not load up nothing and cool and at peace and whatever. Have them degree, have them businesses and whatever. All of them, it's all about peace. Right? You see the brethren them who have it together and them workless and them whatever this and that and whatever. And them still, them there with the madman them with the good front, them and be a problem and stress and whatever and all these things and whatever. So You know, I find that interesting, you know? Yeah.
It comes with a lot of problems. And we as men, we have to find ourselves. Only you alone can't find you, Raga. Me can't find you for you. Only Raga can't find Raga.
Well,
Cooker can't find Cooker. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can find me. They can talk and get advice as much as they want and say, oh, don't do that, don't this, don't this.
yeah.
Only you have to sit down one day and say, oh, looking at yourself and say, okay, let me leave this one alone because I'm going to sit going away and just Magda stab one day or something like that. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, but well, my go say I'm mostly man who can't Lego, but you have a lot of women nowadays, you know, and them can't Lego. You have some crazy women out there nowadays. You see them on Snap, don't? On the series Snap.
Spoken to this lady here years ago. I was just in New York and she...
Oh, sorry. Yeah. All right. I'm going to tie up with him now. They might cost me. Go on, tie. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And she... Men are involved and she said something inappropriate to me one day that I didn't like. And I said, yo, Laura, because I'm a side chick. I have my wife and I'm married, I have my wife. I leave her alone. And rather that woman called me for 3 years straight. Called my phone for 3 years straight. And I
Mad man that man. Mad man. I hear that be a idiot, you know, you did eventually I'll go do something with her just because she relentless and thing or whatever. Right. Cool. Run them, man. You know, nobody come.
Yeah, man. All
right, now, yes, man. See.
I call you upon the number for the tickets. Them. We need 5 tickets. I want them 2 and get 3, okay?
All right, then, cool. Me will give you them 3 then. Make sure. Yeah, man, cool.
People on yourself. Love or no?
All right, Cooker. Why the passport mix up the from Cooker, you know? Yes, I ladies, you know, for know, you know, the man them out there, them into this peace thing too, you know. You shout out could have turn up look more, you know. Yeah, if you're kind of crazy and whatever, the man them are wise up now, man, and them not in that madness, them man. Them see some sign of some little sickness and some madness, and the man them right, you know, them a take time, take with themselves, you know. And when you're pretty and you think turn up, you know. Yeah, it's not worth it. Particularly in this day and age where you go prison quicker clock as soon as a woman start ball. Greetings, hello. 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 All right, nobody not there, so my colleague. Do remember, you know, sub live this Friday, subscribers only live this Friday, and we just want to know it's a regular mix up in the sub live. I may have some saucy content for you this Friday in the subscribers only live, okay? And the live they're going to start, you know, me have a running time, but between 6 and 7, you know, me going to start, all right? 6 and 7 me have start, you know. Just know it's within the range they may go start, all right? Between 6 and 7, see? Hello, greetings. Hello. Hello, me nah itch, you know, just like come soon down and thing. All who there and I watch it live. If you not follow me, follow me now, okay? If you not follow me, follow me now. If you not follow me, follow me right now. All I know I watch it live. If you not follow me, follow me right now, okay? Greetings.
Yes.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
Yeah, me there, man. Yeah, sir.
You know much time I try to reach out to the eye.
Seeing, and you're there now. What good on?
Yeah, man. Blessed good night, and blessed good night to all the listeners.
Yeah.
Me here, brother, I have so much mysteries. I have so much mystery can give you. I don't even know which one to start from.
Yeah, just give me one.
Anyhow, the first one is that I'm born in Jamaica, right? And I leave when I was like 28 years old, 28, somewhere there, 28 years old, and I've been here for over 32 years. I'm now 61. Okay, fine. When I was there in Jamaica as a youngster, about 2022, me used to get my rifle clean up.
Right, 22, around them time there, okay.
Yes, being as a Jamaican, you know, say, you know, you know, go down there, so. And you know, if a woman
You
wants
mean
to
you
like
mean
them,
you mean
can do that.
you mean you get your right for clean up, but you never did a go down, right?
Yes,
Right,
yes.
right,
Or
right.
if so, well, then you try a thing, you come like a player playing. But anyhow, me leave and come here, so when me come here, so,
Yeah,
who me send come here before me come. When
yeah.
me come 2 years after, me say, man, I come round all the while and sit down and talk with her and them with her. And me say, oh, the brother, you know, him say, no, man, it's just a friend, you know. And me say, well, then, yeah. You're there at a strange place, it's good for you to have a friend where can, you know. So, well, then,
Hold on. You
give
did
me
get cut
history
out.
about here and there.
Hold on. You did get cut out. So you said your woman did come up 2 years before you?
Yes, I sent her 2 years before me.
Before you. And then when you come up now, you see one man a fish around her after you come up 2 years after.
Yes,
And them said a man that was just our friend.
just a friend.
Right, go on talk.
Okay,
Yeah.
all right. I went to work one day, and I come back home like about 2 o'clock. And when me come home, Raga, January,
Jesus, what you
me
say?
hear a little sound
Yeah,
when me come through the gate.
yeah.
Me hear a funny sound. I come from the house.
Right.
And when me take time come round and open the door and look, Raga,
Yeah.
me see, man, a heat.
We-
And that table, you know, brother.
He might eat your woman though.
You understand?
So what
Trust me,
on,
Raga.
so when he might eat, oh she did that do? It look like she did that enjoy.
Of course, where some man?
Oh my.
She bought some name where, honestly, Raga, she never called me them the name there. Jesus and Lord and God and
Hold on. So you say, from you and Nara do it, you never hear she bring down God and Jesus in her ain't yet and whatever.
no, sir.
And somehow this someone that makes you find the Lord, don't it? The way with him
Yes, tell you,
feel
brother. Yes, tell you.
Jesus. So wait, she did like a wind up in her face with it too and all them something that don't.
Mr. Raga is like she a climb a wall, man.
Oh my God. So how that
She a
make you
climb a
feel?
wall, man.
How that make you feel if you see that?
And the man hopping her head, hopping her with the head.
With
You know,
it?
he come like he want put him whole head in it.
Wow. I mean, it sounds like it
But-
was an enthusiastic eat, you know?
But Raga, would you believe me say I don't disturb the man?
But I believe you because probably I would have do the same. But go on. So what you do after that, after yesterday?
Because Raga, listen, yes, when me look and see say a dirty man I do, and when me look and see say, well then, but blows, I saw that for heat.
What you mean? When you see me do it, wait, hold on. When you see me do it, you say, me rated. I saw you for do it, I saw you for eat it. Wait, why? No, hold on.
Without knife and fork, neither with spoon.
Well, yeah, I mean, you're making a joke. But so what? Him did really get in it, though. So after you allow them now, what happened after that? After you allow them now, what happened after that?
No, Raga, we really have now, me have to really stand up and take some lesson. You understand? And me just walk away and leave him.
Okay.
Walk away and leave him and come back about an hour and a half after.
Yeah.
You know, me normal hours what me should come from work.
Yeah.
And me ask her if she alright and thing and she say yes, how come? So then we me say, you sure? Me say, you look like you're alright still, and you know, how was it? And I say like, you know, strange and them way. Me say, no man, you know, if you go around, me see everything. And she start blaze up and go on, and me have to describe the color clothes when man in wear and what she did have, and she got beard and change off that clothes and so forth. And that's how she realized. And believe you me, I didn't upset her.
Oh, okay. So I'm work it out.
after. No, me just look somewhere and move. Just look somewhere and leave.
But then, but tell me something now. Given that, I'm listening to you, and you sound to be, like a gentleman who have come a long way with that. And given that, eating is not a big deal, so how did you come around to, to do it now, just like everybody else? How do you come around to do it now? What made you transition and end up doing it?
But you see, when we look into it, Raga, and say, well, then it's like that are the trend and that are the in thing, and no woman I say if you can't eat, you can't do it.
Okay. Right. So that did kind of help you to,
Yeah, man, I have to take my lesson. I have to
You take
learn
it-
my lesson. You
you
can't
know,
go
yeah.
to school and without book and pencil and you know learn nothing.
I ain't learn anything and thing.
So you have to make sure, so when you go other places or go somewhere else or one next class, you have to get diploma there, so.
Right. And cause the woman them must say, that's interesting. That's what the women were saying. If you don't eat, you can't do it.
You understand?
That's almost poetic, man, and things. So the woman them did put on them foot and thing like that and whatever. Then, with all due respect, though, so it must have been was it uncomfortable to you like your first time?
Well,
was it
in a
awkward? Was it uncomfortable? Was it challenging?
Well, to be honest, Ragan, not 100%, because as I said back there in Jamaica, then you used to like to try a thing, but no, nothing
so when you did in Jamaica, you did kind of chups it and thing and kiss it on the top, but you never
Yes,
really get
yes,
into it. So
yes,
that is
like
why
you
when you
just
say when you
comb me
see,
here,
like you just
like
what?
you just comb me here and play around it, tell them where they. You understand?
Oh, okay. So that is what you mean when you say you see me do it now. You say, well, on, I saw it for do. Okay,
You
me see what you
understand?
say. Okay. So you got better at it? Was it just from practice or did you like watch some video or something? What did you do?
No, you see differently. You see things like that now when you look and learn,
Yeah.
and you can practice what you learn, and also you can come up with your own invention and invent something and advance it. What you learn.
Oh, so you just evolve, you developed your own technique. You have your own.
Okay,
Okay. And I think that, you see, because once, given that you develop your own technique, you set yourself apart from the average now. It's like you in a league by yourself now. You understand? You're up in a top tier because you not do what everybody else I do. You follow me, I say? And that's so you get good and thing like that. So I am sure, after you get good and whatever, you never ram to make woman ball out, just like how Miss Lady did that.
I want to tell you, you see, after that, he end up that's a 10 different woman get pregnant from me and have to dash away belly. Because when you give one and that one go tell him friend and that one tell him friend and that's so it go on and discuss about it, everybody will come want them thing.
Oh, yeah, talk about the regular sort out because clearly you never breed them with your mouth. So, yeah, but your regular sort out, you sort out, they turn up after that and woman a draft here.
Majority of time, after that, say, you have to sort out. After.
So, hold on. So 10 women, as you said, dash your belly for you?
Yeah, man. It's not something we're so proud of, yes, but yeah.
This is over the years, at that going.
Yeah.
Why? Because when you sample one and you give them a good sort out and your eating game did up now and thing and whatever, but them go tell other and then other woman want it, don't it?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. So that became a problem then, like, you sort out because clearly you're Jamaican, so you can wind up in it, but then your eating turn up to it. Became a problem then because all of these women did want it, don't?
Really.
Damn.
But it reached to a fact still, it reached to a point where here I met this Jamaican woman and the man that she was with a native from here. and married to. But she said, well, then the man can't do that, can't do nothing. All him want do is just eat and go sleep.
Right.
You understand?
Right.
And she said, boy, she long to get a proper sort out.
Proper
But
sort out, yes.
if she figure to work, a man bring her to work where she working and pick her up back.
Oh.
And she can have friends, she can have woman friends. The man say no want no man come by her house. Come by him house. So
Right.
she can have woman friends come over and say, well, then spend the weekend or whatever. They have a back room where they can go at the back room and spend the weekend or so forth. And him now allow her, so she and a friend can go and run a back room for them talk for true. Most of our friends them will come and them attack patwa, so him no want hear them they talking there. So no go and run the sagota. You understand?
Well, all right, listen, I want to thank you for sharing these things with me today and whatever, and it sounds like you're a man of adventures. And I wouldn't be surprised if you have so much more to share with us and things. So do call us back at some point and then give us some more, regale us with some more of your very entertaining exploits. All right? Big up yourself, all right?
Yeah, man. Enough respect, brother.
Yeah,
enough
man.
respect.
Cool.
Blessing. Yes, sir. Guide us.
Yeah, you see, you're from my generation. If you have enough respect, so you know I thought that. All right.
For real.
Okay. All right. I'm about to get up on out of here, whatever. I see some people I say when I try subscribe and it not allow me to do it. From what I understand is that when you subscribe, there is something one have to accept. Right? And supposedly, if you don't accept it, usually them have some agreement type of thing saying that, you agree if you allow so and so and so, whatever. The user agreement, somebody put it there. And if you don't do that, then it not gonna let you through. So for those of you who want to subscribe and you're saying it's not letting you, boom. And then your bank too, right? If you're with a credit union or them something there, the security is usually tricky. If you're with Chase or Bank of America, by this now them used to TikTok, but sometimes it's all algorithm based. So if you're doing something that the bank is going to say is unusual, but them usually send you something and say, were you the one trying to do so and so? And then you say yes, and them say, all right, you can't go back, go do it now, all right? And thing, so, but again, from what some people have been saying, if you don't, check the user agreement thing, it not gonna let you through. Also, make sure, say, Cheryl, big up yourself, man, blessings. Also, make sure, say, your bank is allowing you to do it. Angie said, I have issues accessing the user agreement. I give up. I don't know. That it shouldn't be. Because you see, I have like 300 and I have a whole bunch of subscribers. I want thousands, but right now I have, let me see, subscription. There's 359 there right now, And the thing is, with the subscribers' life, the more the merrier. It's a nicer when more people in there. So, I do want you guys to get in, somebody said try it on a different device. All right, try it on a different device and thing. I don't know. But I want to get in. I'm concerned that there are people who want to subscribe. The truth is I got Citibank and it now go through else to sub other tickets and not yours. Else to sub other tick. I think he meant to say I can sub other TikTok and not yours. So I don't know. I don't know. There probably different things you can do. Try it on a different device, them say, all right? But again, subscriber live this Friday. This Friday, subscriber live. And it a go saucy, it a go pepper, all right? And me just a go start the full show. Right? So it's not going to be that me do a regular show before or whatever. I'm going to just go right in at the subscriber live only, okay? And that is this Friday because in general, I don't have shows on Fridays, you know? All right? Boom, boom, boom. Also, people, if you want to get Ragabash tickets and thing, also because TikTok payment show up is Singapore, it's out of state. Okay. To somebody that just subscribe. Chastity, just subscribe, you know? Thank you, Chastity. Right? So some people go through. Somebody just subscribe there and it go right through. So I don't know how I'm going. I have to check it on again. So that is 360 people that they know. All right? So start out the thing on the forward. All right. All who there, if you not follow me yet, follow me now. If you not follow me yet, follow me now. Let me take one or two more call. If you not follow me yet, follow me now. Follow me now. Follow me now. Follow me now. Going down the line from the top as usual. If you not follow me yet, follow me now. Hello. 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 All right. Come on to that person now. Tiffany, Wagwan. Tiffany. Hello. 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 Hello.
See, that's all. Look in yourself. This? That like a bag. You find them at the tree. You find them in the summer tree. No, but me tell you something, I go lean back because me I said to you, say, me I go wonder if I light or reflect for the something. So, no, you know, you're right. Me tell you something, the key and everything come out and me lock it with it. There's no light. The light there, yeah. Jesus, so my name is Paraga.
Yes, I name Lola, where they are listen to the business about the light.
When me do fi come down.
No, we want to hear about the light and the handbag and thing. You're going to the handbag and check everything. Well, what about the light?
Just come in. So me do some bad plan. It driving, but you don't know whether they're foreign.
Yeah.
To get round. So we have one little car, so my son now can me. Now follow me since he go to Walmart and me did need rice.
Yeah.
All right, me a brave up, you know, and me a coat there, you know. That me do. But when me come home, it's one light on the car and me know me park.
Yeah. Yeah,
So
you come out of that and left, you know. I me here tell him about the light and thing and whatever, and the key in your handbag, the key in your handbag.
No watch every night, I watch other people up on it, but me never know this would have happened to me. So when
well, I don't know what way you say sweet here, you know. But Jesus, but no me this paraga, they don't mean that. I get it.
Never know this would have happened to me.
You see, you listen every night to that happen to everybody else and you laugh, though.
Even last night when the woman has snore, I mean, they are dead. My night
your time would have come, you see.
You me listen at night time before me go sleep, like school soon start up back, so me and relax. They picnic them to go take on, to go fight no war when. Right.
Right,
Man,
blessings,
what do
man.
this happen to me, Raga?
All right, Oshia.
What me do, Raga? What that me not do it one next time. Me not.
No, your finger touched the request button. You know, where it says guess, where it says guess,
Oh,
your finger
now
touched that
me
button.
learn.
Yeah. All right.
What carelessness. All right, then.
All right, boo boo. Take care, man. Blessings. You're cool. Yeah, man. Cool. Is what she said. She said, yo, but Jesus, but I mean this paraga. And the shock take her, you know. Request box full, you know, man. Yeah, man, I tap your screen, man. Okay, let's see what I got. Hello? People, when they say attitude picture there, right? And you see it now come true. A regular that happen with Fim account, you know. Him Fim thing no come true. Him subscription now go through. Cause me I look on the phone and it just have, you know what I do, that spin something there and it do that to them account all the while. I don't even know why. Sean, big up yourself. Me a Lego anyway, so. Alright, me a Lego right now. Hours now and things, see? People big up on yourself in our marriage and I know it go. Alright, 6 o'clock again tomorrow, alright? Blessings. All who not follow me, Raga, scroll up, please. What you mean by that? Wait. What you mean? Scroll up where? No. Good night. Bless upon yourself, people. Carolee said she just showered with Raga and more than 900 people. Well, I mean, I bathroom with you, don't. All right, blessings, man, people. And I'm Morris. See, again, all who there, if you not follow me and follow me now before you cut. Just follow me now before you cut, all right? And people who are subscribed, just forward because Friday now go normal. Friday I go up. Just come prepared for hear some crazy shit, you know? Based on the clips that we have and what go on, all right? Blessings, people. All right, cool. I'm Morris.